Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you very much for joining me. I am here today with some more multiple choice questions. Remember, these are not the exact questions from CXC. So I told you all I'm not affiliated with them. However, I do have some knowledge of what the quality of questions are like based on the review that I've done over the years while teaching. So thank you very much for coming in. I see I have one person here so far. Thank you for coming in. So welcome guys. Feel free to say hi so I know who is here with me. If you don't want to say hi, that's also fine. I must apologize to you all and say thank you to you all for looking out for me on Saturday. Hey Mary, how are you? Thank you for your support you gave to me, Mary. I really appreciate it. Hey Brittany, how are you, girl? How are you doing? It's good to have you guys here with me. Feel free to give me a thumbs up, guys, so other persons can see the live is active. So they'll come in. Remember, you're not forced to give a thumbs up, so don't feel that way. Okay? Hey, young DK, I was on the road when you text me, but I still couldn't see the questions that you sent. I don't know, maybe your flash was on or something. Hey, Khan, welcome. Big up yourself. Hey, KJ, you're just saying hi. Hello. It's good to see you here. Thank you very much for coming. And Khan is saying C for the answer. Okay. I see you, Khan. You're saying C. I send them back. Oh, you did? But I think I saw that one, young DK, but it wasn't better than the first one. Listen, so when taking a picture of a paper like that, and to turn your flash off or put it on automatic, and so if the light is not needed, you won't see the flash you won't see the flash on. But I think I saw either Daniel or my name Ricey. One of those two persons sent a picture to me. It looks like one of the questions that you have on your paper, so I'm not sure if it's the same thing. Even though you say I didn't want I write them bigger. Second, okay. Yeah, I don't think I'm gonna say much more about it since you told me you don't want it to be on the you don't want to say it on the LS, so I won't want to say anything else about it. But I'll respond to you though. Johanna, welcome. It's good to have you here. Yeah, guys, I tell you, I couldn't even miss Saturday. I was so mad at myself for not being here. Hey, Jamar, long time don't see you. How are you doing? Like after the paper, when they upset with me, not even come back, eh? Because I know you were not if they are. Oh, I must say because I don't know if they're okay. I get what you're saying. What's the scene, miss? What that mean? What that mean, Can? Where's the scene? What? What are you saying, Can? I don't understand what you're saying. Jamar saying I'm good, and you? I'm good. I'm giving thanks. So within a few more minutes, some persons to join us so we can continue. A Trini turn. Oh, okay. So that's saying what's up? Okay, nothing is up. I'm here, ready to do the live. I missed you all on Saturday, but I'm here today. So you all did your homework? We're ready to know about Trini terms, say. You ready, see? See, what me great here, so. When you start in the live stream. Yeah. September. No, sir. I have Trini relatives. Okay. That's cool. That's cool. Sound like you're eating. You can get me voice. No. Oh my God. That means that my mouth full of food. No, man. So I'm sorry. So Scottish. So I'm sorry if it's not like me I eat because I'm actually eating, but I'm say that that's so much in the phone. So I'm sorry. You don't know miss of questions for future candidates. No, sir. So let me show you me I eat. Let's see if I can show him. So Scottish, you say I'm eating, guys, and yes, I'm having a hot pocket. It's just like a pizza thingy. So I'm sorry, Scottish, for talking with food in my mouth. I'm sorry. Even though it's not really bad, man, because it's conversational. Give us some of your food. No. No. Let me call back mommy. So yeah, guys. So let's wait a few more seconds for some other persons to come in. I'm gonna go ahead and start. But in the meantime, you can go ahead and start this question. Okay? Give me a sec, guys. So yes, guys, for this question, we were talking about it and it showed us it gave us the vector for DA and AE. People talk to me. Then let's say in D, young DK saying D means I went through some sets question. I'm comparing all the things, complement and union, and with that I did it and it somehow confused me. How it confused her, I see. Send me the question you do on Instagram. You watch it, you still not understand? No, sir. Hey, Trinidadian Princess, welcome. How are you doing? Welcome. So I'm seeing D from Janelle, D from Jamar, C from Ozikan, and C from Khan. So let's. All right. So it's again in the triangle. So remember, for the homework, make sure out. No, but I wouldn't rubbish there. Well, I'm to you, Trinidadian Princess. What's your sort you? Remember, guys, I was a person who wrote 3A and 3B based on what we're given here. So it says in the triangle ABC, Yeah, AB is the big triangle. So let's say AD is A, AE, which is this length, is B. So given that AD and DB, so AD and DB is 1 to 3, and AE to EC is 1 to 3. So guys, remember when we're doing ratio, we can always add the ratios given to find the total, and then we can think about it as a fractional part of it. So they also say that DE is parallel to BC. So DE is parallel to BC. That means there is a relationship, guys, between DE and BC and E, and also the other sides. So you have to express, listen, where DE is B minus A. So DE, they said, is B minus A. And we can know that for ourselves because DE, we have to go DA plus AE. So we can even do the DE part for ourselves. We're going to move DA plus AE. Remember, the letter that comes first, guy, will tell us basically where to start. So we're going to start D to E, which is this line. We're going to go DA plus AE. DA, we're turning backwards. See this arrow here indicating where the direction is. So AD is A. So DA, you're turning back your direction. So it's going to be a negative A. And AE is going to be a positive B. What they did here, guys, was to basically write it, rewrite by saying B minus A. All right, so basically the same thing. People talking to me, where the B come from, miss? The B come from, look where I see, look, they say that AE is equal to B. And so AE is B. Cool. So if they have a relationship between AE and AC, we know that this length here all is gonna be B. When you're thinking about the letter to represent the vector, it's gonna be B, and this length here would be A. Who else did something to me? Nobody else. Dang. I say like if I move slow up on my phone. Me not like that. So yes, guys. So we want to find the vector for BC. Miss, me not get that. It was because of you, right? See why I marked on the paper from the first place, you know? I'm saying I can't find one blank paper. And because of you, right? See? I mark on the paper in the first place. Now, yeah, see, you know, see that. So B must start. So no B, we must start from. Which B you're talking about? What am I say? Right, see, like you jump gone somewhere else. Let me draw this at even. No coming in the BFGF again. All right. Hey, Natalie, welcome, welcome. So yeah, guys. So they're telling us that, let me go back from the diagram aspect, because you right here, Tim saying I get something. So let's go back from the diagram aspect, guys. So as I said to you before, the 3A and the 3B were not given in the question. You're only given this diagram. Okay? Those two were not given. You're only given this diagram. So working from this diagram, guys, we need to know what is DB and EC. But they told us that AD is equal to DB, which is equal to 1 to 3. So whatever AD is, DB is 3 of that. I hope everybody is seeing that. Whatever whatever AD is, DB is 3 of that. So DB would be 3 of A. I hope you all are seeing that. Also, there's a AE to EC. So AE to EC is 1 to 3. So if AE represents B, so one of this, for EC gonna be 3 of that. So that's why we get 3B down here. Okay, guys? So from this, we want to find the vector BC. So BC, we'll have to go BA, or you want to go BD plus DA. It's up to you guys. But I am going to go B to A. But if you want to, you can go B here, so to here, so to here. So then go down here. So you can go BD, then you go E to C. So it's up to you where you want to go. All right, people? I hope you're understanding so far. So you can go BA plus AC, or you can go BD plus DE plus EC. Y'all seen that? Young DK, what happened? What's going on in the chat here? Oh my God. Guys, pay attention. Can you too? So let's go, guys. I'm gonna do the first one. So B to A. So B to A, guys, we see the direction will be going the opposite way. So we have to make all of that negative. So it's gonna be a negative 4A, because 3A plus 1A are 4A. So you're going this direction. So you have to negate it. Plus AC, A to C. So it's gonna be B plus 3B to give us 4B. But so far, we see that we don't see anything like this in the solution. What we can do here, guys, is to factorize this by taking out a 4. So we're going to have a negative A plus B. Or you want to rewrite this and say 4B minus A. So it's up to you how you want to do it. And that's how we get D to be the answer. Why this looks so like... I have to go turn around the table. Hold on. Because I don't like how this look. Let us see some. Everybody understand what I just did on the paper? Hey, Michelle. Hey, Nick. Welcome, welcome. Okay. Something is going on for this paper. I don't know what, but something I'm going for it. All right. Some person say yes, yes, yes. All right. Let's go for this one, guys. I don't know why the live moving so slow, because... Oh, my phone back. All right. Okay. Okay. Young DK saying B for this one. Let us see if you're making a B sound, guys. Young DK saying B. I can't seem to get this paper straight. I don't know what's going on. Jamari saying B as well. Okay, this one looks so bad. B from Ricey, B from Natalie. Okay, I guess we're making a B sound then. So since you all seem to have it, let me go ahead and start. So right here, guys, remember whatever's in the bracket represents X. All right. Hey, how are you doing? Arabo tutorial. Welcome, welcome, welcome. It's good to have you here. So first, I'm seeing you, right? So we're here doing some maths questions. For the upcoming exam. So guys, let's go. So -1 cube times 3 plus 1. -1 cube the -1 times -1 times the -1, which will give you a -1 times 3 plus 1. All right, it's going to be a -3 plus 1 to give us a -2. And so, yeah, guys, our answer is B. It's very interesting. Oh, thank you. Thank you. Let's run off with these simple ones, guys, and move on to the one of medium level. I won't say complex because so far nothing seemed complex to y'all. So I'm going to say medium. I just saw somebody here. Tahira! Tahira sound like Tahira from up on Knox. I'm Tahira from Knox this. Tahira, are you from Knox? From Knox High? Your name can be a last name Tahira, but I know Tahira. Tahira Josie. I think I know Tahira. I don't know if it's the same Tahira this though. But never mind. Good afternoon and welcome, welcome. So I'm seeing C from Young DK, Ricey, Natalie, Janelle, Jamar. And so by now, guys, this should be like a recognition thing for you to how much time you're gonna this to do. Because that some persons were not understanding the last time, and so I try to bring back questions of similar nature, especially if you have a difficulty and understanding the first time. So I'm seeing C, and away we go. So guys, here, hey Zan, welcome, welcome. If you observe the question given, guys, the root of 0.0225, you'll see that the 225 here is actually a perfect square number, or a perfect number. So if you multiply two numbers, guys, you should get the 225 aspect of it, or the 0.225. So guys, what we normally do here to make this simple is to observe the amount of dp in the given question and ask ourselves how many dp should be in the number that we multiply to give us a dp of 4 in the end. So we know that once you're multiplying decimals, we normally add the decimal places and then we put that into the answer. So we know the root of 225 is 15. So 0.15 times 0.15 will give us 0.0225. So if you add decimal place here, 1, 2, 3, 4, you'll see that the digit or the number you multiply should be of 2 decimal places. And that's how we get C to be our answer. So, if it had 6 dp here, guys, you need a number that has 3 decimal places behind the decimal point. All right? So, yeah, the answer is 0.15. Yes, guys. The next question is right here. Guys, I'm going to turn on the AC here. Hold on there, guys. I don't understand why the place is hot. I'm coming, guys. And the vent is not closed. Somehow, it is warm. Let's try this one. See if the room can get cooler. Ready? That feel better. So persons are saying C, no, so people must start respond to this yet. So guys, a fair dice toss. What is the probability that at 3? Oh my god, who is this? 828. No number goes, I'm in a respond. What is a fair die? You don't know one die? One die have 6 sides. Who know? I mean, I have die here? I mean, I have no die here, you know? Alright, let me say I can Google one die and show now how one die look. If you can't call me Alka, you don't know who you talk to then, sorry. Hold on, girl. Let me show you how Alright, so when it's a fair die, guys, you know, sometimes people will use die that is biased. So how must I say this now? I never know the term what they call it. Like it's on cocks. So some like I have having a die, some part of the die is heavier than some part. So a person that doing casino or whatever, dice put in there. You will see them winning the game more often because them a cheat, because the die them have is not fair. Then die heavier on one side. Come on, something big up now. What the rubbish this? Hold on, girl. Make sure me attack, cause alright. Here, guys, this is a die. Or you want to call it one dice or whatever. So 1 die, 2 dice. So here it is, guys. So sometimes when persons are doing playing dice game, they will make the die bias by kind of making one side heavier than the other. So when they say a fair die is tossed, they mean that it's not biased. As in they did not cheat or make one side heavier than the other. So it's basically a fair die. This is what they call a die for persons who don't know. So 1 die, 2 dice, or more than 1 dice. So yeah, a fair die is tossed, but it's probability that 3 might appear. So we know, guys, on a die like this, hope y'all can see the thingy on the phone, it has 6 sides. So it has from 1 to 6. It has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the probability of getting a 3, guys, would be the number of favorable outcome over the sample space. And we know that the number of favorable outcome would be getting a 3. And in this case, we only have 1 3 in a possible roll. Once you roll a die, only one time 1 3 can appear. So in a possible roll, you only have 1 3. You're going to be 1 out of the total sample space, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, or 6, which is 6. So 1 out of 6 can be represented as a decimal and as a percentage. So that's what they're asking you for here. So what would be, let me say phone pause again. So here, guys, what would be the probability that 3 appear? So 1 out of 6, guys. If you want to multiply that by 100 to give it in percentage form. So 6 into 10 goes, how much time? 1. Remainder, 4. After me no know. Yeah, 4. 6 into 40. 6, 6, 30 goes 6 times. So far we have 16. I'm gonna keep going on till you want recurring decimal. So it's 16 point something something something. So you're gonna keep going on until you have a recurring decimal. So that will give you 16.666, or let's say 67 as a percentage. And so here our BRB, your mom's BRB, right? Okay, Natalie. And so guys, the answer is 16.67%. I hope you all understand this. Let's move to this question. So if a student is selected at random, find the probability that the student is enrolled in neither math or English. So young DK is saying C. So one thing we know, guys, is that the probability of an event occurring is equal to 1 or 100%. That means everything inside of the Venn diagram should be equal to 100%. So already you have elements in math and English, and English. What did I say? I said math only, math and English, and English only. So neither will be outside of these two sets, but inside of the Venn diagram. So go ahead, guys, with that knowledge and try to answer the question. If you need more help, just say it, and I will be happy to provide that. Dang, I thought I had some. So where did Madison paper go? People talking to me? Oh, Brittany's saying help. Okay, Brittany, I'm coming. So I was saying earlier, guys, that the probability of any event, they call the event A occurring, is equal to 1, or you want to say 100%. Okay? So we know that everything on the inside of the Venn diagram here represents 100%. It's asking us for student that is not enrolled, student that is enrolled in neither math or English. That means the person has to be out here in this part, because remember, this will be like math only, math and English, English only. So neither will be out here. So when you add up all of these numbers, guys, should give you 1 or 100%. If you want to convert this to percentage, you would have 16% here, 14% here, and 41% here. Okay? And having that, add up everything and subtract it from 100 to tell you who is not in neither in math or English. Hey, Campbell, welcome. It's good to have you here. So we can say 1 subtract 0.16 plus 0.14 plus 0.41. It's going to be 1 subtract. So this will be 20, 30, 70, 71. So 0.71, 21 plus 71 plus 29. So I'm going to give you a 0.29. Or you can say 100 minus 16% plus 14% plus 41%, and that will give you 79%. And that also will give you 29%. And the decimal is 0.29. So we have to know that, guys. So once good evening. That's fine, that's fine. Your greeting is welcome, welcome. So guys, yeah. So we have to know that the probability of an event occurring is equal to 100% or 1. So once we know elements from the two sets given or the sets given, guys, we can know who would be in the neither. What you mean 71%? All I did, oh, so this should be one is saying, miss, you mean 71%? Yeah, 71%. Thank you. At least you're observing. Thank you for that. So yeah. So everybody get this? Somebody come and say hi to me. Hey, Joseph, welcome, welcome, welcome. I can't call the first name. Is it Kita? Oh God, I don't know. I don't know. May I say Joseph? K. Joseph. I don't know the first part. So guys, you understand this? So not every time they'll give it to you as like a whole number, as you guys are used to. For example, if they had said that 41 students did English only, 16 students did math only, and 14 students did math and English. Not every time they'll give it to you in that form. They could give it in percentage form or in decimal. So you have to know how to manipulate these questions, guys, and move along. So Brittany, is this okay for you? Did I explain it in a way you can understand? Remember, if you're not seeing the full screen, you can expand the screen and you'll see the full paper. But Brittany, did you understand what I just explained? Okay, so maybe she's not here. So guys, can I go to the next question? Okay, people say yes. Alrighty. Here we go. Here we go, guys. So, given the following matrix, 2x, negative 8, 4, 3y is equal to negative 2, negative 8, 4, 6. Determine the values. Should be values of x and y. Couldn't be value. I must values. Got 2 something we'll try to find. So the values of x and y, guys. Remember, once you're given like this, guys, we're asked to equate the matrix and we're going to solve by carrying out the opposite operation. So if you understand it, please go ahead and start. If you don't, you can say help or explain. So I'm seeing B, B, B. Okay. I guess we're making a B sound. Let's see what the other persons are saying. Okay, B from 4 persons so far. Hey, Janine, welcome, welcome, welcome. It's good to see you here. Come on, guys, talk to me. If you don't understand, say explain or say help or say hint or something. Remember, we're here to learn, guys. Don't be afraid to say help because you see so many persons here. You don't care what they have to say or what they're thinking in their brains about your question or your concern. Okay? So, welcome to everyone who is here. I appreciate you all. Thank you very much. Come on, guys, send some more responses, man. Come on, come on, come on. What's going on? I only have like 6 people responding to me. You guys tell me voice already? No. No, tell me truth. With this, that. No, don't do that. Don't do that. Don't hurt my feelings. Come on, guys. Should I go along and work the question since as I don't see anyone else responding to me? Hey, Kenroy, welcome, welcome. It's good to have you here. All right, Janelle, so must start. Okay. So, guys, once we see two matrices in equal to each other, they're considered to be equal matrix. So, what we do, guys, basically, we go ahead and we equate them. So, they equate them according to cell. So, the 2x here is in the same cell as -2, the -8, -8, 4, 4, 3y, and 6. Excuse me. So from here, we want to find the value of x. So we equate 2x to -2. Why? Because they're in the same cell. So -2x is equal. 2x is equal to -2. From here, we want to find the value of x. So we divide by 2. All right. So this cancels. So x is equal to a -1. From here, guys, we know x equal -1. So we have two possible answers, either A or B. So far, C and D is totally out. Let's go. So 3y, Miss, will you? How will 6 Who? Miss will respond to that because I not think I answered a while ago. So 3y is equal to 6, guys. They're in the same cell, so we equate them. So from here, we divide by 3. This cancels, so y is equal to 2. So x equal -1 and y is equal to 2. And that's at B. So very good for you all doing this one. Miss House will see make up for... Oh, make up for paper 2. After me no know, even though they still don't tell us the criteria they're marking the paper on. I still don't know. In the last webinar, the man was saying that they have... What? Like a design criteria. So I'm not sure. I honestly don't know. But they are the experts. So I hope them have something good in talk or in space. Yeah. So this one. So determine the theoretical probability of rolling an even number on a dice. So remember, a dice has 6 faces. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. From these 6 faces, guys, you need to observe or identify which of the numbers are even number. And remember, it's going to be the number of Ross is in the building. Welcome, welcome, Ross. Welcome, welcome. It's going to be the number of favorable outcome over the total sample space. Finally, I'm here. Hey, Life of Jody. Welcome, welcome. It's good to have you with us. Yeah, please feel welcome. Welcome, welcome. How are you doing? How are you doing? So let's go, guys. Even numbers. We know even numbers are what? Identify them from the sample. So I'm seeing B, I'm seeing A. But look here, it's A and B are the same. So why they give us that? That don't make no sense. A and B would have get the same thing. That don't make no sense, guys. You know see that a while ago? Oh, you're at work. Okay, okay. Thank you for stopping by. I really appreciate that. Guys, so far A and B is the same answer. I don't know why these people think they're smart. I didn't even look at it. Maybe just put it to quarter. I don't know. But if you send A and B, A or B, guys, I'll accept it. Hey, Levy, welcome, welcome. It's good to see you. Again, welcome, welcome. So yeah, guys, so far A and B the same answer. So sending A, sending B, I'll accept both. Hey, Marcy, welcome, welcome. It's good to have you here. How are you doing? I'm yet to finish watching your shrimp, the garlic something shrimp. I'm gonna see if we make it the same way. If we don't, I'm gonna try your method. Yeah, girl. Hey, Eddie, welcome, welcome. It's good to have you here. Welcome, welcome. Thank you for stopping by. Because can be broken down. Oh, but they didn't say in the simplest form, Levy. So right now, if they give me A and B, I'll take the answer because it didn't say in the simplest form. But what you're saying is totally correct. Marty, thanks. I'm good. I'm happy that you are feeling better. Yes, I am so happy as well, Marcy. I'm telling you. I think because I slept with the 2 phones on the bed, and that caused the never call it radiation, they call it or whatever they say come out of the phone in the people body. Yeah, but that happened to me. Girl, not even my teeth couldn't go together. They're nedging. When I put them together, I couldn't even do that. Hey, Jordan Brown, welcome, welcome. It's good to have you here. Welcome. Not even my teeth couldn't close, Marcy, to how they, whatever they want to say in my body. Like my teeth couldn't even close. But thanks be to God, me feel better. Never again will I sleep with my phone on my bed. Either I want to take a piece of file paper and wrap them in the file paper, or I'm going to just put them in the other room or something, but never again. Yeah. And the second time it's happening to me is the first I'm feeling it in my eyes, but the first time it was like my teeth, like it nudge, and like if I close them, like something is running through them. But no, but my teeth and my eyes had the problem. Then it sent the pain to my head. But yeah. Yeah, I'm not gonna sleep with them again. So yeah, guys, even numbers 2, 4, 6, gonna be 3 out of 6. Yes, girl, Joe, you have to stop doing that because that's gonna mash up your brain, may I tell you. So guys, you give me A or B for the answer. I will accept them. I don't think I want to circle anyone right now. So I'm gonna write A or B because people look away if you see me circle 2 questions per multiple choice. And you know y'all not supposed to do that, okay? So this okay probability question. No, hold on because we can't take so much probability question right now. Let's give it a break for the probability questions. Because no, there's too much now. Let's give it a break and then come back to it after. What if CXC bring the question just like this? That would be so nice, right? See? That would be so good. Be careful, miss. Don't want anything to happen to you. Ah, thanks, young DK. I'm being careful. I'm taking more precautions right now. I'm going to take the laptops out of my room as well. But apart from that, I haven't slept with the phone since on the bed since I'm feeling better. Yeah. Plus I got some rest on Saturday. So that's good as well. So yeah, guys, no phone on the bed when you're sleeping. So let's go for this one. What is the range of the following set of data values? We know that the range is equal to the what? Can somebody tell me how you find the range? What's the range, guys? How you find it? Okay, I see people making the A sound. Let's see if we're making the A sound for this question, guys. I see straight A profiles coming out here. Okay. Okay, largest from smallest, all right? Or you want to say max subtract min? That can also work as well. So you look for your largest possible value and the smallest, and you find the difference between the two. Shakada, welcome, welcome, welcome. It's good to have you here. How are you doing? Are you at work today? So the largest number here, guys, so far is 140. You have it twice, but yeah, 140, and the smallest is 98. So I'm going to say 140 subtract 98 to give us an answer. But people saying the answer is A. Should we can do subtraction, make I write A as well. No, I'm not at work. Okay, okay. So yeah, guys, the answer for this one is A. Yes, Campbell, I see you. I see you. Yes, Life of Joe, the largest minus smallest. Yeah. Alrighty, so let's jump to this one. A very simple one. Let's jump to this one. So most can breeze off all of this section here. Because these are mostly from probability. Yeah? And a few from number theory. Something. So Shakada later. I'm just passing through. Okay. Thank you, thank you. Thank you, thank you. So later, Shakada. Oh, persons are saying B for this one. Alrighty. Beautiful B. Okay. Bold B. I see C from... what do you mean you can't? What do you mean you can't subtract? No, I mean subtract from going at 6. Oh, I got me start. But I hope I stay a little bit longer so I can actually show my face. Or I go look for you upon Alcatalk. Most. No, me can't subtract. What me subtract for? No. And in college, the lecturer said we must not trust our brains. And the exam conditions. So me from them tell them me not trust my brain. Only if you think. But if you do the maths out of my head, me not pressure my brain so you can stay there. So you can stay there. So okay, guys, this is a very easy one. So they're saying mode means, occur most frequently middle. You ask for the median. The average, you'll say the mean, and standard deviation is the spread of the data from the mean. You all know about standard deviation? No? They're not teaching you this in a school? Alright. Now explain to you now one bell curve form. So guys, when it comes on to standard deviation, it's basically the spread of your data from the mean, okay? And the diagram you see me here with is known as the bell curve. And this bell curve here, once it is in the center, you call it symmetrical. That means you can close one side and the other, or it can fit perfectly. We say it's symmetrical, all right? Once the bell curve is symmetrical, the mean, the mode, the median is in the same place. Or if it's equally almost equal, or if you think about group data, group data would mean like from 0 to 9, then you have from 10 to whatever, whatever, like that. So with group data, it will be in the same class, or you have this in the same class with, or the interval. Cool? So if you have the mean here to be, let me put a mean of 5 here. All right, let's say the mean is 5, and the first spread, because under the curve you have 3 different standard deviation. So you have 3 this way and 3 this way. So you have positive 3 going this way and negative 3 going that way. You have a negative 1 here, negative 2 here. So you have a positive 1, then you have a positive 2, then to 3. All right. So if the mean is 5, and let's say the standard deviation for this one is, give me a number for going to 8. And let's say this standard deviation is 14. Okay? So they said the standard deviation is the spread of the data from the mean. So the first one here is 8. So, and the mean is 5. If you think about the spread of this data, you'll see that it increased by 3. All right? It increased by 3 going this way, and it keeps increasing by 3. So this would be 11, and the one here would be plus 3 to give you 14. And if it increases by 3 this way, it decreases by 3 going in the opposite. So you subtract 3 here. So this will be a 2. Then you subtract 3 again. So it'll be a negative 1. Cool? For this one, between 5 and 14, that's a difference of 9, guys. I don't know. Yeah, 9 plus 5 or 14. So the difference, you add 9 this way. So you keep adding 9 if you want to go. But the thing I want to say to you guys is that the mean, I'm going to put this word now. Let me put a different color marker. So the mean for this one is 5. And the standard deviation is the number you add here, which is going to be 3. For this one, the mean is the same 5, but the standard deviation is 9. So if they ask you which of the following distribution or the data or the graph has a smaller standard deviation, you will know this one has a small standard deviation. Cool? And if you look at the shape of the bell curve as well, you will see that one is wider than the other. So the closer it is to the mean, like something like this, the closer to the mean, is the smaller the standard deviation is, or the smaller the spread. The farther it is away from the mean, is the larger the spread. So this one has a small standard deviation of 3, and this one has a larger one, which is 9. So the standard deviation is the spread of the data from the mean. See y'all? See what I'm saying here? However, you have some ways for calculating standard deviation. It was taken on the syllabus. It's just for you all to know how to determine if it's a small or a large standard deviation. So the calculation part was taken on the syllabus, guys. But you need to know, given some data values, which of them is larger and which is smaller. Okay, Marcy, thank you for sticking around. So yeah, guys, this is how it goes for standard deviation. So even without me identifying that it increased by 3 right here, you could look at between 5 and 8 and 5 and 14 to examine which of these two have a small standard deviation. I'd have to choose this one because the difference between the number is 3 and this one would be 9. So yeah, guys, that's how you determine if it has a large or a small standard deviation. Oh, this already spelled so. SPREAD. Okay, good. So yeah, guys, large or small standard deviation. So the shape of your bell curve can tell you. It can be like this, a very small one, or it can be a very large one. So you can have a large spread or you can have a small spread. It all has the same thing. So C should be the median. What am I saying? C should be the median. Oh. yeah, right. See, you know, so when I mean me, I write, me I write. Because my brain I move fast, guy. But yeah, that's how it goes. So let's go for this one. I think I was thinking statistics while doing this paper, you know, because I'm not sure why I may have so much statistics question. But yeah, guys, so you go. No, worry me. No, mind me right now. I'm gonna try find a question, guys, where they ask something like this on a CXC paper 2 before. I'm gonna see if I can find it. That CXC paper. So let's try this one. I know no numbers are a lot, guys, but you have to expect any little thing. The exam condition. So remember, when you're listing your data values, you write them according to either from smallest to largest or from largest to smallest. Okay. So Ricey is saying C for this one. All right. So since there are 2 questions there, Ricey, I guess it's for the first one you're identifying that one for. Jamari is saying D. So remember, guys, you always arrange. Okay, C should be median. Okay. You always arrange your data in order before you go ahead and find the median or the interquartile range. Okay. So I'm gonna go ahead right now. I'm gonna list the data in order while you work the question for yourself. So 2 came twice. So you're gonna be 2, 2, 3 twice. 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 4, 5, 5. Oh, I'm 10 people, yeah? 5 come 2 times, 6 came 1 time, 7, 1 time, 8, 1 time, 9 come 2 time, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 13. Okay, good. Next, guys, you go ahead and you mistake D. All right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2. So Q2, right? So my Q2, guys, I got 5. Everybody got 5 as well? All right, but D. All right, good. So you know, let me write. So median. So I put the hint here. So arrange data in order. Little to big or vice versa. Come I can't write that right now. Little to big or vice versa. So let's go for the interquartile range. And we know for the interquartile range, I'm going to put the formula here. It's going to be Q3 minus Q1. And you said the upper quartile, subtract the lower quartile. Okay, so it's Q3 minus Q1. Remember, guys, once your median is your middle number, is a face value, mean you can see it with your naked eye, or you want to have on your glass or put on clothes on your eyes. Once it is a face value, you are not supposed to include it when you're finding the upper and the lower quartile. Okay? So guys, let's go. You know, people submitted answers. I'm gonna wait and then to send in some answers. So you're gonna find half of the data to find your Q3, and you find half of the second half, the first half to find your Q1. But you're not supposed to include the 5 that you found for the median in your answer. Okay? So you see me, I have the marker there hiding it. So you're not supposed to include the 5 in it. I'm gonna drink some water and come back. So you're not supposed to include the 5 in it, guys, when you're finding the wait name? The upper and the lower quartile. Sorry, C. Alright. So I'm seeing A. Guys, what's A for? What did I say? Jamar, Young, DK, Mary. What I said A for? What is A? So I saw that D was the answer for that. So what is A for? Mistype, I meant D. The second part is A. So you find Q3 minus Q1, you get 9 for your answer, Jamar. Remember, the interquartile range is the difference between the upper and the lower quartile. 2 is D. Guys. Okay. What kind of thank you not sing, guys? No, what kind of thank you not sing? Cause it a play, but me can't dance. Cause me not understand the thank, so what not sing? The second part is D. Second part is D. Excuse me. All right, let's get right and let's get into it, guys. Cause me not understand what not sing. So up here, so we're gonna find the Q3 from here. Okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 numbers. So 1, cancel this, cancel this, cancel this, cancel this. Between these two, it's going to be 7.5. So Q3 is equal to 7.5. How me get it? Between 7 and 8, add the two of them and divide it by 2, you get 7.5 your answer. Q1, cancel the 4, cancel the 2, cancel the 4, cancel the 2. Between 3 and 3, add it. Divided by 2, you're going to get 3 for your answer. And so, these two, so Q3, let me write it properly, minus Q1, you're going to be 7.5 minus 3, if you give you 4.5. Did not divide. Okay. Okay, Mir. I see you. So Q3 is equal to 4.5. So person who said the second hey Nicola, welcome. It's good to have you here. So persons who are saying that the second part is D, you're indeed correct. Because you have to find Q3 to be 7.5, Q1 to give you 3. When 7.5 will be Q3, which is here, but you have to find Q1 as well. And that will give you 3. So when you subtract them, you'll get 4.5 for your answer. You did not divide. Wait, you never divide. What, Jamar? See, you add up the 9 and 7 and the 8 and never divided by 2? Mercy, please. Alive, she begging. No, what you say, Jamar? Tell me, see you lick your brain. Go you want sweetie. Go drink some sugar and water, Jamar. Go mix some sweet sugar and water and come back. Go on, we wait on you. I'm kidding. Y'all get this, guys? Yeah, a deadly one. Let me go drink some sugar and water because I see a lick your brain or something. No, sir. Drink some sugar water and come back there, please. Guys, you understand it, guys? Yeah, Nick about your people. Next. Alright, Nick. Okay, boss. I'm moving on. I'm moving on, Nick. Sit here. Guys, Nick a bully me. And report Nick for me, please. When I call it bully, what you call it, bullyism something? Bullyism campaign or whatever they want to call it. And I call him for me and report Nick. Me just feel bullied a while ago. And a long time I don't feel a way here. So guys, so this one is saying giving you a spinning what you want to call it, like one wheel of fortune thingy. And it's saying that what is the probability of spinning an even number? What is the probability of spinning an even number? So you're going to go ahead, identify the even numbers, and then you're going to put it over the total sample space. I see B coming along. Okay. People are ball out B. So far I have 6 B's or 5 B's, or 6 B's or 5 B's. 5 B's so far, guys. Come on, talk to me. I have 22 of you all in here. Come on, somebody say something to me. Do me a beg uno to talk to me, people. Don't make live lay them out. Then they go say, she dead, man. Me not because I live because someone not too dead. Come on, guys, don't do that. Live up the place and something. So guys, we see that from the spinning wheel thingy happening here. Even numbers 2, 4, and 6. Okay? It's gonna be. Do me, I beg you, help me. Yeah, man, let me I do. So even numbers would be 3 so far. So it's 3 out of the total sample. How much is there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 3 out of 6 is equal to a half. And they want this as a percentage. So a half times 100% would give you 50%. And that's how we get the answer. Let me know if you don't understand this, guys. Up and do the 24. Take up and down the 24. We all say yes. Understand? Yes, yes. Next question. Okay, me understand. Good. Next question. Okay. Yes, yes, yes. All right. All right, people. Match up this one for me. My bright, nice people. Match up this one for me. My nice, clean people. Match up this one for me. So, guys, the question I write lean, me I tell you. The company answers them. Like me that sweep or me a swimmer or something, miss you having a life for the entire week. Yes, Ricey. For the entire week, yeah. Young DK is just seeing you, Janelle. He's saying hi. Almost one over there, so work and just see you. I say hi, Janelle. I say LOL. Before you call team ya LOL? No, sir. This is funny. Before Janelle say hi, young DK, then Janelle say LOL people. Look at that. Come on, people, give me some answers. Give me some answers. Give me some answers. Oh, this. Who in my life? Oh. Okay. Say I move. Right. Dan Diddy. You. Hey. He just noticed me. Oh yeah, he just noticed Janelle. Just I notice you. And look how long the year answer question. Jamari saying B. Let's see if you're making a B sound, guys. Come on. Let's see if you're making a B sound. Come on, guys. When this angle elevation, you know, the person or whatever is looking up. Okay? So from the ground level, the person is looking up. So that's the angle of elevation of the top of a vertical. Really? The vertical tree from a man's standing on level ground is 25 from the base of the tree, and the angle formed is 38.5 degrees. Determine the height of the tree. So remember, I always tell them if you can't get it by looking at the question, don't be afraid to go graphical. Almost every question in maths can go graphical, except from some functions, rubbish and everything. But yeah, so the man over here, so. And I said this length here, so is 25 meter. Look, I'm also one bird inside. Let me draw one bird. I'm also one bird inside as a guy. Most one bird inside out up on the tree and I look and say, no man, a bird can kill right now. Yeah guys, and it's angle is at 38.5 degrees. So they want to find the height of the tree. They want to find this, guys, the height of the tree. What is that? How you find that? Remember, once you're given a right angle triangle and you are asked to find the length of a side, or you asked to find the missing angle, you have to use one of the three ratios. SOHCAHTOA. All right, guys? So between SOHCAHTOA, you're going to help you to find... Why? Ow. One. No, sir. Where the opinion come from? Please go back. I come from the name of Jesus. Please go back. Oh. Please go back. Joseph is saying A for the answer. So label the sides, guys, according to the angle. No, sir. Let's go do one stretch. Being observed. All right. So I'm going to go right in now and label the side. So this is the angle here. So this side is known as the opposite side. Okay. Angle and the length that is sitting on is known as the adjacent. And you know, this length is always the hypotenuse. Omar is in the building. Welcome, welcome, Omar. It's good to have you here with us. So, guys, we want to find the opposite. We're given the adjacent and an angle. So, OA has to be something with tan. So far, only D is out. So, let's go. The tan of the angle is equal to the opposite side over the adjacent. It's going to be tan of 38.5. Honestly, I expected more persons to respond to this question, but guess what? If you don't want to respond, you just want to watch me work it, you just tell me. Opposite is going to be the height over the base, which is 25. You want to find the height, so you transpose this to make the height the subject by multiplying by 25 on both sides. All right, guys, so this multiplied by 25 and this times 25. So the height is equal to 25 tan of the angle 38.5. So the answer is at B. Okay, guys, as I always tell you, once you can't see the question by reading the scenario given, make a visual. Okay? Once you have a visual representation, you have the ability, or you are at an advantage of knowing or decoding the question better, like this one. Okay? Let me know if you all understand what I just explained and how I work the question. If you don't be afraid to say no, because I will always go through it with you. Okay? Understand, miss? Alright. Boom. I want to say boom bang because say me sound too childish. So I'm not going to say that word there. Even though I can want to say boom bang still, but I'm not going to say it. Even though me just say it. Yeah. Alright, understand, miss. Understand, miss. Alright, very good. I'm trying to find that question that I had just now. Maybe I took it up. I don't know. Let's go for this one. Not sure if everyone does. Yeah. Look here. You can't talk to yourself, They don't want to, they can't, they don't have to say no, they don't want to nothing. Okay, Brittany saying no. So let us go back a little bit, guys. Nine, how are you doing? Welcome. So, guys, the question gave us the angle of elevation from the top of a tree to the top of a tree from a man standing on level ground. So the man is on level ground, which is right here. And the angle of elevation means the angle is going upwards. All right? The man is looking upwards. So the angle is formed upwards. Okay? They said that the length between between where the man is standing and the tree is 25 meters, and the angle formed is 38.5 degrees. So after observing this image, guys, the question says determine the height of the tree, which is right here from the ground level to where the so-called bird is at. Okay? So they want to find the height of the tree. Having this, guys, if you're not seeing the triangle there, I could draw the triangle up here for you so you have a better view. So it's 38.5. This is the height, and that's 25. So basically, guys, a right angle triangle was formed. Okay? So from this right angle triangle, or this one, anyone you want to look at, you'll see that you can observe the sides by labeling them according to the SOHCAHTOA ratios that we know. So we're given the adjacent side. So let's go label the sides up here. This side is opposite to the angle. That's the opposite side. Adjacent, that's the adjacent side. Hypotenuse, the longest side, or opposite to the largest angle. Up to you how you want to remember that. So guys, we're given the adjacent and we're asked to find the opposite. Looking at these three ratios, you need to figure out which of them do we need to use. Only tan deals with the opposite and the adjacent. So we know that will have to be the tan of the angle. So the tan of an angle is equal to the opposite over the adjacent. We know the opposite side to be the height. Let me put it right here. So we know the adjacent to be 25, and I put it right here. So having this small section here, guys, this part here, we're going to go ahead and transpose or make height the subject by solving for height. So because it's dividing by 25 here, what we do is to multiply by the denominator to cancel the fraction on the, which hand is? On the right hand side. Okay? So we multiply by 25 on both sides. Okay? So this 25 cancels this one. So we're left with height. It is equal to 25 times the tan of 38.5 degrees. And that's how we get our answer to be 25 tan 38.5. If it is better, you can say yes, no. Naijan, how are you doing? How are you doing? My nephew had an appointment this morning, so he couldn't get to come to the live you had. You said can do the live today, but I'm gonna let him come tomorrow. Never fully understand them thing there. You have to go visual for the most part now. For the most part, you have to go visual so you can actually see what's going on. Because sometimes those scenarios, they can be so long. Do you have ratio questions? Ratio question in this batch of I have today? I can't recall having any ratio question. I don't know. I can't recall, Gerald, I can't recall if I have any ratio question. Miss, do you have a ratio question? He's responding to me. Oh, I'm having problems with it. As we speak, I don't have a ratio question right now. And I don't think this bank of questions have any because these people, they seem to. But yeah, I will help you. I'll help you. If you have a question you don't know how to do, you can send it to me on my place name on Instagram at Alisa Kennedy, and then send it to me there. I'll do it and send it back to you. But for today's live, I don't think I have a ratio question. I don't think so. Maybe tomorrow I'll bring some. But for now, I don't think I do. But I'll help you with it though. You can always reach out to me on Instagram or Facebook. Look for the same face you see on YouTube. That's the same picture I have on Facebook. So look for that same face. And you'll find me there. Janelle, my next question will be dedicated to you, Janelle. My next question will be dedicated to Janelle. Maybe the next 2 questions. Because we spoke earlier. All right, guys. So in the triangle above, not drawn to scale, the length of AC is, so AC is right here, and you want the same face. Yeah, the same picture. That's what I'm talking about, Gerald. The same picture you see on my place is on YouTube. To be the same picture you'll see on my name, my Facebook. I don't think my Instagram is the same thing. If you search on my name, you'll see me though. So yes, guys, want to find the length of AC here? What you can do is to take out one of these triangles, since they don't need all of them. They don't need both of them. So to find the length of AC, you observe the angle being identify the angle being observed and label the sides accordingly. Then you will know what ratio you must use. It is similar to the one we just did. So if you want to, I always tell this to my students, once you can't see the triangle that they're talking to you about, you can always take it out and do the maths. Okay, using cosine ratio. All right, so it's going to be our opposite side. That's our adjacent, and that's our hypotenuse. So with this one, guys, we are given the adjacent and the angle to find the hypotenuse. So we know the 3 ratios. Maybe I'm blocking someone right now, but I'm sorry. So Katoa, guys. Excuse me. We can go ahead. Sweetie. I mean, I have none. Go ahead, guys, identify which of the 3 ratios uses the adjacent and the hypotenuse. So, Joseph, yeah, you're correct. Use the cosine ratio. So the cos of an angle, I'm going to put in this part for you, and you can go ahead and do the others, is equal to adjacent over the hypotenuse. So put in the angle and whatever side you're given and find the hypotenuse. So I'm seeing A from Ross for the answer. Let's see if we're making an A sound. Ooh, what are they saying D to? Jamar, are you saying D to this question? I think so. Jamar is saying D. Nicola is saying B. Janelle saying B. Ross saying A. Campbell saying A. Okay, Jamar, thank you for the answer to that. Guys, remember we need to find the hypotenuse, so we have to transpose or make the hypotenuse the subject of the formula. If you can't work with numbers, guys, once you have the ratio like this, you can always go ahead and make the hypotenuse the formula by multiplying by the hypotenuse on both sides. So you'll have hypotenuse, cancel that. So ADJ is equal to HYP HYP, cos of the angle. We want to find HYP, we divide both sides by cos. You can do this as well, guys. So this cut this, so HYP is equal to ADJ over the cos theta. ADJ here is 8. Cos of the angle is 30. If you can do them different ways, you want to put in the answer first, so you can also do that. Let me see more on the paper. If you want to put in the answer first, guys, you can also do that. Let me see if I can write on this paper. Miss, do you have a video on trigonometry? I think I have a video on trigonometry, but I'll have to go check to see the depth of that video. But I think I do have a video on this though. What time do you like? My life start depending on where. If in Jamaica it starts 4:30. In other Caribbean countries it start 5:30. So it depends on where you are. So guys, you can do it like this, or you can go ahead and put in what you know. So I'm gonna put it right here. Yeah, I do them every day. I have a lot of live streams. Yeah, I do them every day. So guys, if you want to say cos of 30 is equal to the adjacent 8 over the hypotenuse, or you want to write AC, you can do that. You multiply both sides by the hypotenuse because you want to cancel the fraction that's right here. So you multiply that by the hypotenuse. So this cancel this. So 8 is equal to HYP cos of 30. After here, so you want to find HYP, or you want to put the word AC. It's up to you. Then that will give you, divide that by cos 30. Divide that by cos 30 to balance the equation. So wow, Kennedy. This writing look away. HYP is equal to 8 over the cos of 30. And I see that you guys don't like trigonometry. You see that? Like only a few people respond to this question. So let me know if you all understand what I just did. Let me know if you all understand what I did. I'm not seeing it on Instagram. So my name here. Search the name here. You see it here. So it's spell. Maybe you see one facial picture or something. I don't know. You know, one white and striped blouse, I think. With me here afro looking like something. I don't know. But something like that. Talk to me, guys. You understand what's going on the paper right here? I know something read pretty today, like none at all. Let me know if you guys are seeing the paper or if you understand what's going on the paper. Talk to me, talk to me. All right, people saying yeah. All right, one person say yes. What's going on, guys? Me tell them, you know. If you don't want me here, just tell me, because me life boring, me I go want to fall asleep, and me don't want to fall asleep right now. Because me cannot enjoy this right now. So no, don't do me that, is it me? Let me see if me have any more questions under here. Yeah, I do. No? Alright. This one is dedicated to Janelle. Big up yourself, Janelle. Big up yourself. Big up yourself, Janelle. Big up yourself. I want this question. I couldn't find a question here. Make it stay until later or something like that. I'm to George today. I'm to Gerald. Yeah, Janelle. Let me not say Janelle alone. Shift is over to the left. Shift is over to the left. It's because, you know, can you do a video on trigonometry? All right, tell me what area of trigonometry you want to do a video on. Somebody ask me something again. I don't know. I think I right. I can do one video on him. All right. Do you want to miss your saving this live? Yeah, the live is always saved. Yeah, live always saved. Um, Brittany, what aspect of trigonometry you want me to do the video on? Hmm. Okay, Brittany. Hey, Suzanne. Welcome, welcome. Something don't look right. I wonder I want to look right now. Talk to me, Nick. Just got in. I'm happy that you're home safe and you're home early. So, guys, the diagram above shows two concentric circles. The radius of A, that in the circle here, is 3, and B is 5 centimeter. All right? Determine the, I'm seeing C from Joseph. So, determine the area of the shaded region. Determine the area of the shaded region. Suzanne is saying B. Okay, Suzanne, I see you. I see you, Joseph. You're saying C. What's wrong? What is wrong with the word concentric? Who said that a while ago? Who said that? Who said that? Come on, phone, don't do that. What is wrong with the word concentric? Somebody just put the word a while ago. Either Nick or Ricey. Who said that? Guys, concentric basically means say share the same center. All the same, guys. Share the same center. I'm seeing B from Susan, Mary, and Janelle. Let's go, guys. Come on. Do this one. Do this one for me. If you don't know what to do, just say something. Don't sit there and look at the question and have your brain all bubbling. Or whatever you're thinking, you can type it out. Let me see how you're reasoning. Maybe I can help you in that way on how to decode the information. So come on, guys. Don't just sit there and look at the thingy. Dinsmore, me not shoot, you know. No, me not shoot. All right, Campbell, you send me to help you. Okay. So they want to find the area of the shaded region, right? And it's right here. Cool? So what you have to do is to find the area of both circles. So find area of the circle here and this one and subtract the small from the big one. So you're going to say area of circle B minus the area of circle A. So find the area of this circle, the big one. They give you the radius already. Find the area of the small circle and subtract them to find the area of the shaded region. Let me know if that helped, guys. Oh, Jamari saying B as well. Okay, I see you. All you have to do, guys, if you understand something, just say help. Cool? Nobody's here to judge you or anything like that. And nobody's against you. Just say help if you want help, all right? Don't be afraid. So area of the large circle and area of the small circle, they gave you the radius of both of them, so you can use the radius to find the area. And we know once that's the area, we are going to think pi r square, okay? You know the radius of the big circle, you put it right here. So for the small one, put it right here, subtract them. You need to observe the answer, guys, to see that they did not touch the pi. So the pi was not being used. So when you're simplifying this aspect, you're not supposed to touch the pi either. All right? Let me here feel tight now. Massa, do. Can I manage it right now? Plot. Okay, guys, the pi was not used, so you're not supposed to use the pi when you're simplifying the expression. No, expression. Come on, say equal sign. So the expression, simplify it. B. All right. I see B coming in. All right, I see B is coming in. King is in the building. Welcome. So I see some B's coming in. Am I waiting on anybody else to submit something to me? All right, B again from Ricey. All right, guys. So pi was not being used, so I won't be touching pi. So R for the circle B is 5. So it's going to be 5 squares. So that's 25 pi. Come on, 25 pi. For here, pi 3 squared are going to be 9 pi. 25 minus 9 will give you 16. And you're right about the pi. In this case, the pi would make them like terms. Okay? Yes. Empress was here earlier. I don't know where she went. Maybe she's in the background, not saying anything either. Hey, Lady K, welcome. And so yeah, guys, the answer is B. So guys, this question is similar to one like this. How you get 16? 25 minus 9. The 16 that? Let me do the maths. 25 and 9. I don't know what 60. Guy, what's 25 minus 9? In people? 16? Okay, very good. You see? Because my brain don't work then kind of way, but it's still 16, so 16 the answer. So we get 16 pi. And we can't use numbers here, guys. So we have to write the letters, all right? Empress was here earlier, so she's stressed out. I don't think I'll sleep or what. I don't know, master, but she come earlier. So, guys, the same question could be asked like this. So, if you're given this triangle, the same procedure would happen. You'd have to use the pi as either 25, 22 over 7 or 3.142 and just subtract them. But because of multiple choice, I'm not sure if
then no, so maybe on the brain was 150 if you work out pi and multiply all the number here. So they didn't make a use pi. But yeah, guys, remember we can't use numbers, so we have to delete the numbers out of this something. And mine then take down the live. So please, guys, delete the numbers for me, please. So they don't take the live down. So what I was saying to you guys is that it would be the same procedure if you were asked to find the area of the shaded region that is right here. Okay, you understand it now. All right, very good. Yeah, like the pizza. That makes sense, Natalie. Yeah, just like that one. But yeah, guys, if you even ask to find the area of the shaded region here, you know you have to find the area of the triangle and the area of the sector right here. So, and you subtract the two of them. Okay, so don't let... Oh, this part was not supposed to be in it. So, guys, don't let whatever you're seeing distract you. Stick what you know. All right. Alrighty, another one is here. Ricey, where you at? Where is Ricey? This one is dedicated to you. If me I do it, do it. If you're doing it, miss, do it, Ricey. I don't like that question. Which one? This one on the table here, or the one you saw before? Which of them? Miss, I want to. When I say, can you send me a link on Instagram? Can you send me a link on Instagram? The phone I'm using is the phone that's on Instagram, right? I have the Instagram thingy on, so you have to go. Wait, the one before. You better like it. You stay there. The pre, but couldn't face, but you not like it. Look here. The question not like you neither. Here? It don't like you neither. Let me talk for the question. It not like you neither. So I don't feel like you can dis up the question and the question and answer. It not like you neither. Cool? So yeah, guys. So the basic wage earned by a truck driver for 40-hour work week is $560. Calculate his hourly rate. And B is the answer before this. Yes, Khan. So Jamar is saying B, Mary, Ross, Janelle, Linsmore, Campbell. They all be saying B. Let's see. And King is also saying B. Miss, me ask you, and you ask me. And you, what? Me ask you, and you ask me help. What you mean by that? Well, send me B. People, you know right then can I say me can't understand no miss, you ask me. No, miss, me ask you, and you ask me. Miss, me ask you, and you ask me. Natalie had said BRB, so I'm not sure if she come back yet. So guys, want to find out the hourly rate? It's gonna be the weekly. What you call this again? Weekly? What you call the bottom part again? They have a word for this, you know? They have a word for this one name. They have one word for this, guys. What talk to me? And them easy one here, me like miss. Guys, what you call it 40 hours? So me have one word for it. Yeah, hourly rate, weekly wage. Some but me don't know what you call it. Let me can find it somewhere. Guys, what you call this one, guys? Me no know me little bit. Hey, Ricey. Man, I ring me on the phone and the quiet, you know. Can let us reach through the phone for you right now. That may I tell them like Van Damme. But I reach through the phone for you right off this moment. So my ring care and give me through the phone. They have one word for it, guys. I'm gonna look for that word because I'm supposed to know that word, you know. Mm. Oh, basic week, yeah. Yeah, basic week in him. So the hourly rate is equal to the basic wage over the basic week. Mean the amount of hours you work for the week. So no fortnight in him. Find out when you work 2 weeks and whatever. See if you know say me not do business subject. Right? See, your math teacher must teach you this. Cause me teach this to my grade 8 class. You must learn this to your math teacher. So tap about CXC if you know nothing. So yes, guys. So the basic wage here is that you work 560. Alright? And the basic week would be 40. Alright, guys? So it's 560 divided by 40. And we give you how much you can get paid for the hour. So 560 divided by 40, then I can cancel. 56 over 4. Remember, it says multiple choice. You won't have a calculator. So 4 into 4 goes 1. Into 5 goes 1. Remainder 1. 4 into 16 goes 4. So for the per hour, you can get $14 per hour. Come under consumer arithmetic. Yeah. So the answer is B. People said B before. I think y'all were saying B, right? Think y'all, yeah, you guys were saying B before. So yeah. Answer for that one, guys, is a B. No rest, me know you're not ranking me. Me know I just start me attack of my mouth. Yeah. So before I even move that one, guys, do you understand how I got that? Do you understand, guys, how I got the answer to be 14? But sometimes you just think about yourself in real life, guys. So if you're a week you get 40, you get for a week you get 560. You work 40 hours. So how much hours you work per week? You divide it two of them by each other. What you just said, the basic week, your hourly rate was 14, and you work 40 hours for that week, and you're gonna multiply them if you know how much money you get at the end of the week. But yeah, me say understand. All right, very good. I'm glad to understand that more here. All right. My table them never draw straight, so no don't say long. She can draw something better than that. Ooh, hold on. Hold on. This is not. This should be cumulative. That should be cumulative frequency. Yeah. So this should be cumulative frequency, guys, not whatever made I try right before, because we know where that come from. But yeah, makes your table good. You know, see the writing here because my paper turn away. I'm gonna really can't see say jaw particular way. But yeah, guys, so we're given the mass. All right. The mass of some lambs. Almost on sheet them attack. And the frequency and also the cumulative frequency. So we're given two missing aspects here, A and B. The total will be 60. People say 1. So the table above shows the mass of lambs to the nearest kilogram. How often did the mass of 32 seen? How often did they see a mass of 32? Oh, don't tell me it have interquartile thing in that. No. They don't have nothing to do with interquartile right now. No. So they want to know how often did they see the mass of 32 kg. And 32 kg would be the aspect right here. So where you see A is at. Okay? Where you see A there, they want to know what is... But no, listen, the entire thing here represents the 32 kg. But they want to know the frequency. So y'all know that the cumulative frequency does not tell the frequency of how the masses appear. It tells you everything coming down. So if you're at 31, I see 57, it means 27, 28, 29, 30, 31. Okay? It means everything coming down. So cumulative, adding up everything. So think I'm talking fast just now. I'm sorry, guys. So to know how often you will see the 32 kg, you have to focus on the the frequency aspect of it. Hey, welcome, welcome, welcome. I see that you are connected to me. However, I am on the live stream right now, so when I'm done, I'll go see you. We're here working some maths questions, so yeah. So yeah, guys. So people saying C, people saying A. A represents 59, which is the cumulative frequency for everything from 27 come down to 32. But we don't want the cumulative frequency. We want the frequency for 32 kg. So we know, guys, to get the cumulative frequency, you have to add the successive frequencies. So for the first one, it's gonna be 4. For the second, gonna be 4 plus 9. See, you'll be adding these. It's gonna be 4 plus 9 to give you 13. 13 plus 16. Let me put the plus sign here, so. Put the equal sign here, so. So 4 plus 9, 13. 13 plus 16, 39. And you keep adding down. Okay? So at this point here, guys, you need to know what number do you add to 57. No, it's okay, Joseph. I'm just talking in general, okay? What you need to know, guys, is what number do you add to 57 to give you 59. Then you'll know how often 32 appeared. Let me know if you understand what I just said. Okay, Nick, I see you. I see you, Ross. I see you, Joseph. Let me know if you understand what I just explained, guys. Okay, C, and away we go. All right. I see people saying C. All right, 2 miss. Yeah, I see that as well. 13 plus 60 equal 29. 13 plus 16. So how me get the number there from? Well, I'm not really busy with the pattern. I don't know where I get the number there from. Maybe me I add something different. I don't know. I don't know where it come from. But it come from somewhere. Maybe it should be 26 or so. I don't know. Let me write something wrong. Maybe it have to be 26. I don't know. But me just change the part there. Me tell them, I can't add, you know. I calculate, I do the work. Me not doing no work right now. Not good on cumulative frequency thing. Right, see? Me just tell it, you know, add. All you have to do, you add the first frequency with the second one to give you the second thingy right here. So 4 plus 13 give you, 4 plus 9 give you 13. Forget the third one, 13 plus 16. The word cumulative means you add up successively. You keep adding until you go to the end of it. Okay, you keep adding until you go right down. So that it means. Doesn't mean just one thing you go across. You keep adding until you go down. So guys, this here, miss, you call the thing thingy. Me never that me see a while ago. If you know what me say, me know what me say. So we know 57, guys, plus 2 will give us 59. And so right here, we know that 2 would be the frequency here. And if they ask you how often 32 is seen, you would not say 59. You would say the frequency that is representing 32, which is 2. All right? Boom. I'm not saying the word either, because people always say me. They're weird. So here we go, guys. Another question. Let's go for this one. Maybe I call it thingy, because I might style that. Me just say some weird things at times. You hear me, I use the word boom bang. I'm not really busy like that. So what is B, miss? Oh, B. B would be whatever 59 B. 59 plus whatever you would give your B. 59 plus 1 is what, 60? So B will be 60. 59 plus 1. But let's do this one. Persons are saying D. Let me write back this one properly, guys, because maybe you not see this one. Let me write it properly. Cause me like the Q they look funny. So Q complement intersect P complement. All right. So I'm seeing D, 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 B. The answer are the answers correct, miss? Oh, you mean then correct? Hey, look here. Look here, maybe me can't add, but the answer them right. A visual something this is the thing I don't understand. Good miss. He he he. Yeah, yeah, yeah. No, I mean this one. Yes, yes, Jamar. It is correct. Change D to U. Why? Why must change D to U? Like, no. No. Y'all need to know the rule that we spoke about. What's my name? De Morgan's Law. Y'all need to know the De Morgan's Law. D looks funny. Because it's funny. D is a funny guy. So it make look funny or a funny girl. You want to say girl or guy? Yeah. D look funny. Especially if I know the answer. Yeah. Make look funny. So no say about D is a funny. D looks funny. It will look funny if I know the answer. Keep a and B. I don't know if me A and B have something. Yeah, say the love laugh, you see? No, sir. Guys, wanna please pray for rice today, do. Alright, people saying D. Alright. Alright, so I'm gonna do some illustration right now. But I'm saying D. Okay. Anybody else? Janelle, where you there? Janelle. Oh, I'm sorry, Janelle said D. Okay. Alright. Yeah, I'll be saying D like, okay. Miss compliment means outside. Can somebody answer? Susan, please? Please. I can answer you, Susan, but I need some of my people to answer you. Somebody can answer Susan? Ricey, answer Susan, Ricey. She's saying that if compliment means outside. Okay. Everything outside off. Okay, thank you all. Thank you all for answering her. All right. Okay. The answer is D. All right, Ricey. Me not say yes or me not say no until me show no how to do them something here. All right, guys. So this one says P intersect Q. We know the intersection sign means and, the union signs mean or, okay? So P and Q would be this region right here. And this is not saying this. So, can't be the answer. This one at C is saying P complement. And P complement means everything outside of P. See P here? So everything outside of P is that. This diagram is not depicting C. I'm going to show you all how to do this thing. This diagram is not depicting C. So we know C is not in the answer. So it's not A and it's not C. Let's look at D. Y'all be saying D. Let's look at D. It means everything will say, okay. B and D. All right. Let's use the brown. All right. P and Q represents this up here, so cool. Let's do the bracket first. So P and Q represents this part here. So it says the complement of that, which means everything outside of this part here. So P and Q is this part, but everything outside of this part would be this. And this is not this. So again, we know that D is out. So everybody who said D, oh no, wrong. Cool? But big up on yourself and try. We love that. Big up on yourself and confidently put down D. Big up on yourself. We love on the same way. So, guys, what you need to know is how to write the De Morgan's law. Wonder if he dead. Because if he dead, his name must have ring too much time. I call his name. In dead people? Y'all know De Morgan's dead or in your life? Because the amount of time he calls that man a name, he must have got rise in the grave. I'm good to roll over now. So what should I call my name for again? Alright, see it here. So it says P union Q complement. Who name so? One mathematician will come up with the law here. P union Q complement is equal to the same two sets. You're going to change the sign inside to the opposite of it and find the complement of whatever is there. De Morgan's law, I know it by. I same thing. De Morgan's or Morgan's law, anyone, I see somebody. And this one, P intersect Q complement is equal to P complement union Q complement. So guys, this set is depicting everything outside of P union Q. So in here, so that is unshaded represents P union Q. All right, in here, everything inside of P and Q without repeating anything. That's this region here. Outside is depicting the complement of that. This can also be written as P complement intersect Q complement. You kill me in this show me. No, me not kill you, no. Me shell you a little bit, but me not kill you. If me shell you, but me not think you kill you still. I just me shell you or me chip off, yeah? No, so no must say me crazy, you know? But me not crazy, guys. Me just love this. So tell me if you understand what I go on here, so. So the answer is B. Yeah, guys. So my hint to you is try to know the De Morgan's law. Just remember, whatever in a bracket of the complement, you write by the two same set, change the sign, and with the complement by each of them. That's the only thing I can't find easier way to remember this, guys. I don't know, but if I can't find it and use it. Kind of confusing. Oh, it's confusing. I understand now. Right, see me have one nice video plan. I'm about 20-minute video behind a video long. How me try to explain everything we could have possibly asked when a CXE question in that video there. So guys, you can go ahead and watch the video I post. I did on sets and set theory. Me do almost every possible way how CXE could have asked the question in that video. I show you how to use the graphical method, how to use a listed method, and all them good things there. So you guys have to go and check it out. All right. So yeah, let's match up another question, guys. Come, next one. And the person, me not call out the name again, but they know themselves with this one. They know themselves. I watched the video and it's another thing I saw. So I don't. You watch my video and see something different? I must be joke I make. Must joke I make, right? See? Because in that video, I was not hungry. I'm hungry, me talk foolish, but me never hungry in that video at all. I see several people watch and say answer them understand it. So who understand? So guys, if you watch the video and don't understand it, I come on the next live stream and even tell me you don't understand the video here. So then me go take it down and make something different or something. But right say a difference to him understand from the video, maybe. Okay, I see D for that one. Alrighty. Yeah. Alright, I see D coming in. I see D is coming in. Click on the person name. Videos. All right, guys. So what you can do is try to expand try to expand it, guys. So if you get 603, we know 100 tens and 1. So if you want to think about it, so it's going to be 6 times 100 plus 0 times 10 plus 3 times 1. All right? But right here, guys, we are given in the power of 10. So if we want to convert this, we can do that by saying 6 times 10 to the 2 plus 0 times 10 to the 1 plus 3 times 10 to the 0. Okay? Not even see if you not look on the question or not. I won't not say. Because the live stream off my phone. Just go down. Alright. From here, guys, we see that 6 times 10 to the 2 is the same as 6 times 100. 0 times 10 to the 1 is same as 0 times 10. But for this part, anything times 0 is just 0. So this basically gone. Okay? I hope you understand that part as well. Then we're going to have 6 times 10 to the 2 plus 10 to the 0. I'm going over, guys. Let's expand the 603. This hundreds, this tens, this ones. All right. 600. 6 times 100. 0 in the tens place. 0 times 10. 3 in the ones place. 3 times 1. That is 603. Okay? Here, we are given them in base 10. So what we have to do is to rewrite these to base 10. 6 times 10 to the 2, because 10 to the 2 means 100. This part plus 0 times 10 to the 1, because 10 to the 1 means 10. So you're basically decreasing in powers. Plus 3 times 10 to the 0, which means 10 to the 0 is equal to 1. As we know, the rule of when your exponent says anything raised to the 0 power is equal to 1. So this is the rule that we use to know that this is 1. Okay, guys? So if you want, they can leave out this part and just say 3 times 1, which is 3. And so it's going to be 3. Anything times 0 is 0. So this middle part here kind of gone. Because a 0 times 10 to the 1. So 0 times 10 is just 0. And here we'll have 6 times 10 to the 2. Look up here, so to see if you see anything that's matching what I just explained. Remember, if you can't see the screen, guys, you can always expand your screen to see the full thingy. And let me know if you understand what I just explained as well. So I see people saying A, people saying D, people saying D. Okay, A, D, D, D. Or again, B? No. So let me know if you understand, guys. People talk to me now. I'm saying me not teach myself, so if you know answer me, if you don't understand or not. And it makes no sense I come here and do questions and leave without people understanding. Is what I say? I have interest in what I do before me move on. But yeah, me shoot long time young DK, you kind of late still, but yeah, me shoot already. Let me see me can bring up this one. A little more. I hope that's how popsicle spell, because I know some people look at everything, but me don't know. But me hope that's how it spell though. So people saying D, 20 over 27. 20 over 27. Holy, 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 holy. Mother. So a male is chosen at random from the group. Look at the part in orange for me, guys. From the group, what is the probability that he does not like fudge? That means if he don't like fudge, he like popsicle, and he like ice cream cake. I hope you all can see that part. He does not like fudge. That means he either like popsicle or he like ice cream cake. So he is chosen from the group, and in the group they have 200 people in the group. So y'all said D is the answer. Tell me the procedure it took to get the answer, right? See? Or you get D for your answer, Dinsmo, or you get D for your answer, and Jamar, or you get D for your answer. Tell me what you guys did to get D for your answer. Use the 108. You read the question? They say he was chosen from the group. They didn't say he was chosen from the group of male. They said from the group. So it would be has to be out of the total thingy. At 30 and 20, at 50 and 30 and divide by 108. You can't do 108, Ricey, because it's from the group, Ricey. See part just in the orange here, so from the group. If they had said he was chosen from the group of male, 28 over 60. 28 over 60. No, if it's supposed to be 28 over 60, you'd have to say, so given that a person likes fudge, what is the probability that this person is a male? Suzanne, the question, what are the phrase like, given that a person is chosen at random from the group of fudge or from persons who from fudge or persons who like fudge, what is the probability that the person is a male? Then you could say 28 over 60, because if you look on the fudge first, how much in a fudge and how much like male. And persons who said D for the answer, they'd have to say from, so a male is chosen at random, okay? And from a male, we only have 108 male. But they did not say that. They say from the group, which means the entire people in the something, in the sample. But if they had said a male is chosen at random, you would have to use this total, the 108. Tell me if you don't get what I say, people. Then they say, what's the probability that he does not like fudge? Once he don't like fudge, he either like ice cream cake or, or popsicle. So that'd be 50 over 108 if they had said he's chosen from a group of male. But they said that a male is chosen at random from the group. I want to say from the group, it means everybody in the group you choose from. And in the group here, they have a total of 200 persons. So you can choose 108, you can choose 60, and you can add up these two and find the answer. It says from the group. You have to see that, guys. It says from the group. So what's the probability that he does not like fudge? So from the group, you have 200 persons in the group. It says out of 200. And they say he does not like fudge. So fudge won't be in the solution. So it has to be 50 plus 30 to give you 80. Means the group is 200. Yeah. The group is 200 right here. So when you add up all of who like fudge, ice cream cake, and popsicle, these numbers should give you 200. Add up the participants, either male or female, this added should give you 200 as well. You have me head scratching. I don't know. Yeah, if it's cut so my time to you wash your head from morning. I wash your head from what today, which day today Monday, so we just start. Never mind. So it's gonna be 80 over the amount there, 200. So you're gonna be 80. Yeah. So you have to be careful, guys, how they, because a two-way table, it gives you two set of information, guys. Okay? Matter of fact, 3. It can give you column frequency. It can give you row frequency and the total frequency. We have to know that. It can give you column frequency, meaning the way to choose from the column of people. It can be row frequency, either you choose from male or you choose from female. And it can be the total frequency, mean everyone that is in the sample. I don't think they teach you this at grade 11. At grade 11 level, I don't think so. Maybe if you go to 6th form or grade 12, they will teach you about you learn it in statistics, prob and stats class. If you should do grade 12 and they're going down into standard deviation, you're gonna describe the data array, the relationship between the variables and all that. You learn that in those levels, but your level right now, you just need to understand how to calculate probability and how to identify the different region. I just chose D because I see the question like this already, but never understand it. Yeah, this question, when you see theoretical, I see on paper to me, just change them number here from one number. I change the letters at the top from something different. I saw it on a paper as well, I see. So far I saw this question somewhere. But I don't know where it's coming from. But me just I use here, I wash it. Oh, very good. Make sure you wash it. Boy, you that catch you. If you catch you. Yeah, guys, you understand this? So what if they ask you guys? What if they ask you, what is the probability that a female likes popsicle? What is the probability that a female likes popsicle? Female likes popsicle. What is the probability that a female likes popsicle? So for this question, use numbers and just delete them after me read them out, okay? For this question, use numbers and delete them. What is the probability that a female likes popsicle? What is the probability that a female is chosen at random and she likes popsicle? What is the probability that a female is chosen at random and she likes popsicle? Use numbers, guys. Remember, we are here. Don't be afraid to submit an answer to say it I got wrong or right. You learn from a mistake. 44 over 92. Okay. I see you, Suzanne. Let's see if anyone else is gonna respond to my question. What is the probability that a female is chosen at random and she likes popsicle? So I'm seeing something from Ross, but in a company said, okay, 44 out of 200. I right to say, miss from the total. What is the probability that a female is chosen at random? A female is chosen at random. Then this anything bug. Whoa, mercy, mercy, battery I go down. All on the people. All on the, all on the, all on the, all on the, all on the. Oh, you saved the day. Very good. As a queen, this gonna 2%, you know, like drop. Right? So me not gonna answer, you know. May I say question how much at time? What is the probability that a female is chosen at random given that she likes, look here for me, just plug it for charge, that she likes popsicle? Hold on, guys, let's hope the battery not go down by me if you go for the strike protector and come back. Let's see what's going on here. What is the probability that a female is chosen at random? I save the day. Whew, whew. You can run, man. Yeah, you have to run. Watch it. I was an athlete in high school, you know. Yeah. Just never take it up in a hand because they didn't want too much out of me right now. I couldn't afford that. Too much devotion and you have to devote time to training and all the rubbish there. Alright, so people say 44 out of 92. 11 over 23. Tell me say I broke it down. 11 over 23. Because look here. So guys, what is the probability that a female is chosen at random? You have to look in the group to see how much female in the group. So far, we have 92 females. So, what is the probability that a female is chosen at random? It has to be out of the 92 because them say a female is chosen at random. Okay, then it says given that she likes popsicle. Then now you look to see how much female like popsicle. It says 44 out of 92. Ah, Jesus, no sir. But yeah, guys, that's how we do a question like that. But most times they'll only give you a whole table frequency to work with. It's very rare they give you column frequency and row frequency. Anybody who said 44 out of 92 will get the answer. I know Susan was the first person to get it. So y'all, please delete the comment with the numbers for me. Please and thanks. Whatever numbers you send in the live, please delete it. And thank you for responding to me as well. Okay, so Dinsmore, you have 2 for delete. Zan, please delete a comment. I have Ross or Ross. All right. Okay, guys. Could it be reduced? Yeah, but me not reducing. Since my brain not good like that. You know, yeah, Mister, my brain not good like that. That okay. That's what you get. Okay, yeah, that I'm saying right, Jamar. But my brain now go on a overdrive right now. Me not worry about the question. Oh, I love you, nothing to say. But yeah, guys. So Jamar, leave the comment, Jamar. 701 801 for your time. So yeah, very good. Thanks. So yeah, guys, thank you very much for responding to me. So we have to remember that we ought to identify what they say first. So given that it's a female, check how much female in the group and how much true spectacle. Okay. So yeah, that one they're good. All right, let's go for a question from sequence now. All right. Um, let me delete Zan comment because maybe Zan can't read for herself, so I'm gonna delete it. People me telling you, if you don't come on my live stream, I don't know want give me no live, no likes, don't give me and take it back. Don't give me your likes and take it back. All right. You don't have to like what I'm doing here. You don't have to like it because me not perfect and me not know everything. So you not feel like you can give me back. Miss have math question for you. Send it on Instagram. Miss confusing us. Miss you confusing us. Confusing you how? How me confuse you things more? Tell me. Cause me not say nothing confusing a while ago. Wednesday? What's half of 2? That's from I saw the question somewhere. It keeps saying low batch, but this thing is on. Look here, around with me or something. Don't play with I and I. Me wanna know how me I confuse you. Tell me this, bro. How me I confuse you? $80 out of 200. Look all on the question they got this man got about you. Look here, no bother with me, please. No bother with me there. Do. No bother with me. That question they got a long time. Long time till me I give them one more question if you do. Maybe you live. What you call this thing? What you call these people when you watch them? Maybe you live one go forward because that the question they gone a long time. That gone a long time means more to me that me I give them one more to do. So I don't know what me I confuse you know. Cause if you don't feel confused, you must tell me, you know. Tell me if you don't feel confused, people. Talk to me if you don't feel confused, yeah? Yeah. Yeah, Scottish, thanks. Live, me must say, me keep on, I miss the word. Yeah, live stream. B. All right. So they're asking us for the next term. What's the value of A? That don't make no sense, Kennedy, because in the year, so. Me now no A on the board, people. Where me get A from? Lord God. No, sir. I see him because I mean, Nick, I the same question I asked myself a while ago. I don't know where A come from this. No way. Guys, the first one don't make no sense. The answer is nowhere there. Alright, me put the answer on it. I don't know what I think of. I don't know what I think of. That is so funny though. No, sir. No, this is so funny. So see here, choose from that. King. And people say B though. Maybe they mean the common difference. I must the common difference they talk about. I must the common difference. But King, I see what you're saying. I think I was thinking about the common difference while doing this question, guys. Yeah, it still be. I think I was thinking about the common difference while doing this question. It couldn't be A. It couldn't be any of those small numbers. I think I was thinking about the common difference. No, we can't use numbers, guys. So we have to be using letters, okay? A, B, C, and D, LOL, don't see what was happening. Yeah, Jamar, you see? And this question was written before the live stream. They may not hurry up too. So just work with it. Oh, me too, yeah, say, but yeah. I see what you're saying. I see what you're saying. So, guys, the common difference, what we need to know if it's an arithmetic sequence or a geometric. For it to be arithmetic, we have to be adding or subtracting. For it to be geometric, we multiply or divide by a specific number. Okay, in this case, 147, and we have A. We see it's increasing by 3. So the value of A would be 7 plus 3 to give us 10. And so B is the answer for that one. So right in terms of n, the nth term of this for the sequence. So y'all know the formula we use, right? Dang. Ooh, something about me. Ooh. Y'all know the formula we use, right, guys? If you use the formula, you can use whatever you used to do it and get the answer. You remember the formula? Hey, miss, that positive, negative table would be. Oh my God, I didn't get to do it over for you, Chukan. I'm so sorry. I'm gonna do it though. Oh. No, I don't know. Can't remember. All right. The long formula. Hey, go away. Go away from here, so about the formula long. Get away from here. We can't use numbers in the live, okay, Joseph? So you're gonna have to delete that comment and tell me if A, B, C, or D. Ricey, me tell you, whole weekend, me I try remember which video me fi do for Ricey, which video me fi do. And I just know when what's her name? Brittany asked do the video, me remember the video, Ricey. Me I tell you, the entire weekend I was saying, what video must I be doing? Yeah, thank you for taking that comment. Oh, thank you. So still B. Let's go, guys. What's the answer for this one? So D here would be the rule, or you want to say the common difference. A here is the first term. Okay? So the first term plus n minus 1 times D, and D we know is 3. So simplify the bracket and group like terms and tell me the answer. No, sir, if I vacuum it, no. Where me go? Or something squeeze me. Oh, something squeezing for me too, because me not got nothing about me. Come, guys, send some answer to me now. What's going on? Janelle, answer me already? What going? Hello, what going in here? Hello? What going, people? Why me not see no answer from you? What's going on? Okay, I see the answer coming in. B, B, D, D. Yes, so come, Gerald. Where's the answer, Gerald? Consent D. Just no. Mesa, I said in a long time, but you didn't look at my comment. You did? The last, oh, you said last one is D. I do see it, right? See? I use the substitute one. Okay. So let's go, guys. So it's going to be the first term. So it's going to be 1 plus n minus 1 times D. And remember, n here represents the term you're trying to find. Plus D. And D we found to be adding 3 while going on. So D is the common difference. So that's 3. So you multiply 3 by whatever in the bracket. So it's going to be 1 plus 3 times n. 3n. 3 times negative 1. -3, so it's 3n minus 2. And so the answer is D. If you can't see the screen full, guys, expand the screen to see everything I'm writing on the paper. But yeah, guys, the answer is D for this one. I substitute 1. I substitute 1 in the equation. Okay, I got it. All right, very good. I substitute 1 in the equation. D. Let's see. I substitute 1 in the equation D. But I don't have a clue. I said alright, so I don't know what that means. Means how you get -2. Because -3 plus 1, remember this one's a positive 1. -3 plus 1, you're -2. See that? If the first term was a -1, you get a positive, a -4. Kind of confused. Let me find a piece of scrap paper. Hello, phone. I charge you. I mean low battery. Look here. Behave yourself, please. All right. So once it's arithmetic, we say we use the formula A1 plus n minus 1 times D. A1 represents the first term. D is the common difference or the rule. All right. So far, we see that the rule here is adding 3. You keep adding 3 going along. Cool? So the first term is 1. So it's 1 plus n minus 1 is a given. N minus 1 times D, and the common difference is 3. This can also be written as 1 plus 3 n minus 1. Because this 3 is multiplying by the bracket, you can bring the 3 to the front or you can stay at the back. So you want to work with this one, you can, or this one, you also can do that. From this, guys, we are going to remove the bracket by expanding the 3 to whatever is outside of the bracket. So it's 1 plus 3n minus 3. From here, we are going to group like terms. So we're going to group this -3 and this +1 because they are both constants. All right. So I'm going to write my 3n because I did not touch that. -3, negative, positive, -3 under the negative sign, +1 under the positive side. From here, we cancel. So we can cancel 1 from here and 1 from here. We are left with 2. This 2 is a -2 because it's under the negative side. So a -2 is the final answer. So it's 3n minus 2. And that's at D. Let me know. Let me know if you understand this. If you had used the first one, it'll give you the same answer as well. Okay, miss, my bad. Yeah, maybe you group them incorrectly. I think that was the answer, the case with you. So you get +2. Yeah. But most persons don't teach the arithmetic rule, guys. But if you have a table, you can have a different way of working this. But once you know the rule here, that the formula here, you can work any question. You don't have to figure out any rule. All you have to know are the common difference or the common ratio, and you match up your thing along your way you go. So yeah, guys, let's chop along to the next question. This one comes to us from distance time graph / acceleration / velocity and a whole bag of thing. Most welcome, King. Most welcome. Alrighty. So I think I need to roll a circle theorem question then no. Donde va? Where are unu? Where unu there? Tell me. Where are they, guys? I can't find the questions on circle theorem. Oh, in a book. Okay. Y'all doing this one? All right. 2 minutes almost gone. I'm not seeing the answer rolling or roping or roll around so yet. So I'm not sure what I want. B from Suzanne. Suzanne is saying B, guys. Let me see if you all agree with Suzanne. Or I say, no way. That can't be B. Let me see what you all are saying. Are you guys agreeing with Suzanne? Oh, I see. Persons are saying yes. So, guys, for this question, we need to know about acceleration and the velocity and the time. This is more than one answer on the paper, you know. See, I come with the A or B, a one dig it answer the on the paper here. One dry eye answer. So velocity, guys, is equal to the acceleration times time. So the acceleration given was 12 in camping aside ms negative 2 times 8 seconds. If you simplify this, guys, you will see that second cancel ms negative 2. All right, and you multiply the number them 8 12 or 96, something like that. So velocity is equal to 96 ms negative 1. I wish that more person would have responded to me so I know what uno day. But because you do not talk to me, I'm not beg no friend tonight. Uno keep uno say. Uno stay there, yeah? Stay there, I don't want to talk to Miss Kennedy. Stay there, I don't want to talk to her. Y'all need to, there is no borderline in multiple choice. Big up yourself, Suzanne, straight away. Either yay or nay, but can't be yay and nay but at the same time. Yeah, so true. You can't circle two answer. Because the machine I go pick up one or pick up none. So y'all understand this one? If the answer is yeah, let's chop along to the next one. All right. True. Alrighty, so let's go. Let's roll. If you can't see the screen, guys, expand it and you will see the full question. Okay. Excuse me. What cancels? I'm saying here, I was called Jesse. No, sir. I'm saying here, the second here, we go to the 1, second negative 2. When you cancel in 2, you get a negative 1 for your answer. That me I tell about. Oh, you're not gonna see if I have screen because your phone not gonna over a little more. So I'm talking about this second here, second to the first power. But second to negative 2, when you cancel them, you just realize that. When you cancel them, it'll leave a second negative 1. So even if they had like a 96 ms negative 2 down here, so you know, so it couldn't be the answer because seconds can seconds. So you'll leave with 1 s left, 1 second left. So let's go this one. Judge, I know me hungry now. I'm ready. You can't believe that? I may just eat something a while again. Oh, me have some cherry. What cherry can I eat if me hungry? Me I feel sick. I can stay. So Nikki's saying C for the first one. Okay, Nick, I see you. I see you. Nikki's saying 6 for the C for the first one. All right, guys. So remember we use letters and not numbers. So generally saying C as well. And we know the answer for this one is that once a tangent is formed to the radius, you have a 90-degree going on right there. Okay, so OC would be the tangent, Kennedy, come on. OC would be the radius, and ECD, or DCE, what you want to call it, would be the tangent. And the point of tangent is that would form a 90-degree angle. So all of OCD right there, so would that be 90? And you know one side to be 28 or 26, no 26, so 26 subtract 90, or 90 subtract 26, 26 from 90, or yeah, multiply and give me answer, guys. Oh my god, this thing is itching me so bad. I'm gonna what, either something bite me or me squeeze me toe up or something, but nothing hot, so mercy. Reduce. Oh, I say reduce. No, sir. Radius meet tangency form 90-degree. Yes, sir. Yes, yes, yes. So we all get the answer right here, so don't it? Everybody get it? So right here, so the 90 degrees. So in here, so would have been 90 minus 26 to give us 64. So the answer right there, so C. All right, very good for person who says C. Big up on yourself. Big up, big up, big up. So let's go to the other part now. The other part now, say angle ABC. So B is to the circumference of the circle. Let's go for the other part, guys. People respond to the other part already? No? All right. Let's go for the other part, guys. See, Mary, is this one for the one we did angle at center is twice the angle at the circumference. Oh, you're gonna know the angle at the center pretty. Oh, you find the angle at the center. That there. That there. And let's see I go find that there so. You know, say base angle equal. Me do one maths. Hold on there. Come here, stop. Hold on there. No, my brain can't work calculator. My brain not working right now. Calculator come. So no. People say C for the answer. Alright. If you don't see a C, alright. What that be again? Come on, come on. So ABC equals 64. Okay. If you see so. If you see so pretty, if you see so, alright, so 48 plus, what number that? 48 plus 26, no, I must say plus 90. Plus 90, give 138, 138 minus 180, would I give 42, then middle so. That'll be 42, so 42, 42 plus 42, how much people? 42 equal to that. Minus 42, I get 84, equal to that. Plus 180, that equal to that. If they want to that, they can do that. So if we give you the answer here, divide that by 2 equal to that. So guys, you have different ways of working this question. So if you want to observe that triangle OAC is a isosceles triangle, you can find the angles inside and use the rule that Joseph mentioned earlier, and get the center is twice the angle at the circumference. If you wanna, you can do that, or if you want to observe the rule that says the angle at this I go against some about tangent and something. What will I go? The angle, alternate angles are equal. Yeah, so got it. Angles formed by a tangent equal to the angle in the alternate segment at the circumference. Some rubbish like that. The rule go, people. You want to tell me the rule there? B miss. Alright, I see is that Ross just now? I think Ross said B. Okay, so Jamal, Ross, Janelle. Why Dinsmore I sent too much answer coming here, so. Which one, that's how which one Dinsmore? Angle between tangent. Okay. Very good, Jamar. Tangent and card. Something like that. Equals angle in the alternate segment. Yeah. That me a chair member. So angle from between tangent and card equals the angle in the alternate segment. Yeah. So you want to use that one, you can also use it. So up to you how you want to approach this question, guys. There's no right or wrong way. If you do it, just make sure you get the same answer. So talk to me. People saying C. So persons who are saying C, who are saying B, tell me what rule or what theorem did you apply to get your answer? Tell me what theorem or what rule you applied to give you the answer. So maybe we have to max up maybe 4 more questions and run along with Mary Way. I'm gonna see him so intense. One person is saying D 132. You get D for your answer, Joseph? Or you get D? Come on, people, talk to me now. Which rule not apply if you get the answer there a while ago? Because you kind of have me away right now. Because I don't see you what you do. You have to share these stats with I, people. So I say, you have to share them thoughts with I. I not seeing it like how you're seeing it. You have to share with I. Enough love me, people. Share the answer with I. Ooh, my head feels so funny. Angle at the center is twice the angle at the circumference. So did you complete the triangle, Dinsmore? That's what you did? You completed the triangle? I say C because the angle on the same card. Angle on the same card. What? Add to the same, what that mean? Angle on the same, what that mean? I understand that. They mean add to the same. I first mean a rule. Miss angles in my, what? Suzanne, what the word they mean? I thought see the word they are chilies. I'm see the word already. Let me see the word already. Angle at top is half the angle in the center. Okay, so Ross, you said B for the answer. Okay, Ross. Okay, Jamar. Okay, Dinsmore. C. I'm not seeing your I'm not seeing how you got C for the answer, Nick. That's something your angle between the angles on same card add to the same. Me not understand the one day. Cause me don't know which rule that. Me no know the rules and the same to the same. Me no know the rule. Alright guys, so I have to explain too. Alright, let me put on the heap of it here. Let me do the marker. Alright, I purple it already. Alright, Jesus Christ. Wait. King 64 plus that. Give that. Minus 64 plus 48. 64 plus 48. Would I give you that 112? And 1812 would I give 68? So king, what you should have said is 64 plus 48 plus 26 because you have the angle as well. So you couldn't just divide that by 2. You see me? So you have to say 64 plus 48 plus 26. Add up that and take it from 180. So you're almost on the same on the safe path, king. Just the last part that's on the right. So because you're coming for so much number, you know what got for you. Alright guys, so let's jump in and do the question. Cool? So I was saying to you all that you could observe that this triangle AOC or whatever you want, OAC is the isosceles, so base angles are equal. So you could add up 48. Yeah, John, you know man, plus 26 plus 64 and take that from 180. Why? Because all of them angle here, they're on a straight line. See line so? Add up everything and take it from 180. That would have give how much again? Me do math a while ago, you know? Me do math a while ago. Please remove the numbers. He will. 96. Let me do the maths, guys. 96 minus 180 equal to that. Come on, 180 equal to that. Divide this by 2. You're gonna get 42. I don't know. Hold on, people. So 42 plus 48 plus 26 plus 20 plus 64. 64 give 180. So yeah guys, the answer for right here, so would that be 42? So this would have give me 138. You have to delete the numbers for me now, guys. Delete those numbers for me. But yeah, thank you very much to you all for giving me the answer. So as Nick bowl notice eye. So Nick, I was saying that you could observe that AOC is an isosceles triangle. So base angles are equal. Cool? You know, here says 48, 26, and 64. If you add up all of those and take it from 180, you can find the angle that is right here. So 180 minus 138 is equal to 42. Okay? If you have 42, here so it's also 42 because base angles are equal. So angles in a triangle is equal to 180 degrees. So 42 plus 42, if you add them up, take it from 180, supposed to give you the answer in here, so. So 84, I don't know your answer now, guys. You don't know what I come penalize me right now. 84 double that give how much? 92? 88 or 60, I don't know. Can't manage that right now. 84, so that give you 9. So in here, so guys, would be 98. Okay? You could say angle center is hot angle the circumference. Say if you 96. 96 is true? 84. Yeah, 96. Oh, Jesus. No, sir. My body, no? 96. I'm telling you, I don't know numbers. You can't blame me. 96. So, it right here, so. Cool? This angle is 96. That means the angle, yeah, me just fix it. That means the angle up here would be 96 divided by 2 to give you 48. Or you could have said, what Jamar say would be again? Angles on the same card in the alternate segment are equal. So this angle here is equal to this angle. So instead of doing all of them heap of something here. Could say this angle equal this angle. And the theorem I say angle in from the same coordinates opposite. I don't know where ruling. Hold on. I'm gonna tell you where ruling people. I'm not gonna take a go force my brain to remember nothing right now. Hold on, I'm telling you where ruling. So the exterior and that's me no want that I really want. Let me tell you the rule I look for, guys. Yeah, I'm in my brain right now. Jamar tell me a while ago, but I don't remember when tell me say. I don't remember when tell me say, guys. But me know the rule, I just can't sit on my head. Ooh. Can somebody tell me the rule? For the one here? Something about about arc and something about something. Jamar tell me rule again. Something about farm with card and look here, I don't remember the rule. Oh, I don't remember the rule, I'm a teacher. Oh, my brain gone. Something about alternate segment form at the circumference. So guys, the rule say on the angle between the tangent of a circle and the chord is equal to the angle in the alternate segment from at the circumference. Yeah. Angle between chord and tangent. Yes, that's very good. Yeah. Equal to the angle in the alternate segment. So this angle here is equal to this angle up here. So the answer is 48. So you have two ways you could actually work out that. And you get 48 for your answer. Yeah, so yes, Jamar, thanks. I know to my brain a while, but you know, can't see my brain not operate right. But yeah. Yes, Jamar, thank you for that one. Now I want to give you guys a question from Vector. So my take is you all need to go and learn the theorems. Miss, he said angles between chord and tangent measure the same. So what he leave off part of it still, but what he's basically saying, the angles form between, so the chord here so is AC and the tangent is right here, so is equal to the angle in the alternate segment at the circumference. He leave off piece of it off of his own. But yeah, so angles form between the chord, so the chord here so would be AC, and the tangent is equal to the angle in the alternate segment, because remember here so is one segment, and up here so would be the other segment. Cool? So you got the angle in the alternate segment at the circumference. Y'all can go and check them out, guys. So guys, we have to know the rules for, what is name? Circle theorem and how we apply them. Cool? So the only two simple. Alright. Again, that's homework. Let me go in the one here for you. So it's about, it is that theorem. Look here, I mean, not the number now. I don't know the number for the different theorems. I don't know the numbers. I just know how if we work them out. I know the theorems them. But I not call them theorem one theorem. To me know the actual definition that come under each theorem. Because knowing theorem 1, theorem 2, you can't know if you use it. No make no sense. Because you couldn't put theorem 1 on the exam. Because they don't know what theorem 1 be. So yeah. Come and do this one with us. Let's do this one together. If you can't see the screen, expand it and match it up. You have the theorem, miss. Yeah, me have a video on the theorems and how to identify them. I have videos on the theorems and how to identify them. Come guys, let's do this. Come on, let's do this. Let's do this one. So the figure below, not drawn to scale, shows the points of OAB, which are the vertices of a triangle. So See, triangle draw the phone, express in forms of A and B, the vector BA. So you want the vector BA, guys. BBBA. My baby did. Oh, that is so sad. Anybody writing maths next year, I will be available for help, God's willing. So guys, Young DK offering his help to y'all who are doing maths next year. So come on, let's get some answers. That's Nick saying D, Jamar saying D. All right. Come on, guys. Let's match this up. Match it up. Match it up. So one BA. C from King. So we're gonna be going where? So we want to find the vector BA. So basically going down this part for the resultant vector or the displacement, how some people don't know it as. So excuse me. So BA is equal to, you have to go B to O plus O to A. Cool? So A from Joseph. So BO plus OA. Remember when we're changing the direction, our magnitude is also affected. All right? So OB is 1, 4. So BO would be the negative of that. So it's going to be 1, negative 4. So you're basically turning, don't mark and do that. You're basically changing your direction. So BO, you're going this way. But OB is going that way. BO is going this way. So you have to negate the vectors. All right? Plus OA is already going in this direction. So let's write the value of A as 5, 0. Then you go ahead. Oh, my head hurt me now. The time we done it, what time now? I can done it live very soon. My head not feel well at all. And OA is 5, 0. Add them up. Tell me where you get for your answer. Is it A? Is it B? Is it C? Is it D? Talk to me. Talk to me. I think I need to give you guys one more question from this section. Maybe the overtime can come tomorrow. I'm going to overtime question tomorrow. I'm seeing C. I'm seeing D. So come guys, I did most of the work for you right here already. So BO is 1, negative 4. OA is 5, 0. Maths up it and tell me the answer. So 1 plus 5 is negative 4 plus 0 is you can't find the orange marker. Tell me as much sure. I don't know, I still not see it. Well, oh well. Look, it's there. You can go over the direction and the triangle. So they want to find BA. So see me draw the reflection going down this way. So the letter will come first. I always tell you as a starting point, unless it's given on a graph where you tell about position and something there. But in this case, you can easily do that. So B to O. So OB was given first from the origin to B is negative 1, 4. Okay? But you want to go BO. So you have to change your direction in the brown right here. So it represents BO. So you're going back this way. So you're going to go 1 so. Then you go 4 down. Go 1 so. Then 4 down. Because remember you always move X first. Then you move Y. So you go 1. Then you go 4. Then OA is already going in this direction, so we don't have to change anything than to write back the OA vector, which is 5, 0. So 1 plus 5 is 6. Negative 4 plus 0 is a negative 4. So the answer is gonna be 6, negative 4, which is at D. Yeah, Mary, I see you. I see you. All right. I hope that was clear to everybody. So I'm going to do this one for do. Then I'm going to want homework. And I think I'm going to do homework for the one with angles. I'm saying we can find the one day. With angles. We don't do the question day. I have one question for angles. I mean, no, only know like angles like that. So I'm going to the one if you do before I go away. So tomorrow, guys, we're gonna do some questions on number theory, factorization, sets, circle theorem, salaries, wages, vectors, sequence and series, exponents. We're gonna do questions on conversion to base 5, to base 8, to binary. We're gonna do questions on circle theorem. Did I say that one already? We're gonna do questions on scale drawing, trigonometry, functions, finding inverse, finding evaluating function, matrices, finding the image given translation, bearings. So we have fun stuff to do tomorrow, guys. Discount, determining range of values. A bag of things are going tomorrow, people. That's all I can say. Wait, one more question there. I'm going to £1 vectors to do. Or maybe the circle theorem question could have gone. I'm gonna go think something tonight. Yeah, not in the question. No more. So persons are saying D for this one. This one are pretty simple, guys. Pretty simple. So you basically multiply the hourly money you get by the week, where how much you work for the week. So it's 9 times 40. And we know 9 4 is 36. And put a 0, 360. So the answer for that one is a D. Pretty simple, don't it? Yeah. Pretty simple. So we get 360. So the homework here. Alright. And it was very good having you all here today. Feel free to come again tomorrow, 4:30 if you're in Jamaica, and 5:30 if you're in the other Caribbean countries. And I will be here. Yeah, Campbell, me see you as well. So tomorrow, guys, we will pick up. I just gave you a hint of what is coming tomorrow. If you want to have an addition to it, you can tell me. Oh, I need to bring ratios as well. Let me write on some paper. Bring some questions on ratios for Gerald. From ratios. Need to add that to the bank later. Or tomorrow morning. I have some questions on scale drawing, guys. I have questions on discount, I have on translation. I have on number theory. I have on circle theorem. I have on sequence and series. I have questions on vectors. I have questions on reflection, rotation. I have questions on, what do you call this? Wages and salaries, angles, conversion from binary to that, from whatever to base 5. I have questions on bearings, trigonometry, exponents. What is be sets when you're given the worded form, some more evaluate when you're given diagrams. So here you have questions and functions and a bag of stuff, guys. So just come tomorrow prepared to do some nice work. Yeah, and I hope you're practicing for whatever subject area you have. And I hear that tomorrow is social studies, so bless you all who are doing social studies. You're going late. So you're going late. What does that mean? What does that mean? Gracias por todo. De nada, de nada. Mix fix the paper. All right. Okay. You see me have two screen here, so I look on one screen say look all right. And the next screen I see something different. So no pardon me there, please. If me I go late the same 5:30, me go Dinsmore, Jamaica 4:30 Jamaica time, 5:30 for in other Caribbean country. At the same time me I come on, boss. So yeah guys, that's some questions for tomorrow. So nice question. People that complain saying too hard. Well, me have to go back to the hard one then come no easy one to do. What do you guys think about the questions I gave you today about probability and stuff like that? Like the two-way table. No want some more like that for you? For tomorrow? You can tell me, no, me say me can find questions and roping and interquartile range and something. No good with that? In though practice can too much still, but yeah, them bad. What you say them bad? What bad? No, you just write some short phrase. Me not understanding. Cause me slow bad. I tell them me slow. And me put the S in a slow people. Me I tell you. A joke. Me talk that in rubbish there. But yeah, I'm gonna bring back the questions. Good night. Oh, good night, Mary. Good night. And yes, be safe, be safe, be safe. And all the best tomorrow. I'm going where are you, Joseph? Jamaica or other Caribbean? Miss Angles in my look here, what that mean? What that mean, angles in my arches? What that mean? Susan, what that mean, Susan? Grenada, that means say in Grenada, is it now 8:53 for you or 7:53? So if Jamaica now is 7:53 in Jamaica now, so I'm gonna go live 4:30 Jamaica time. If you're at the same time as St. Vincent, okay. At the same time as St. Vincent, and again it's gonna be 5:30 for you. Or 5:30 for you. So yeah guys, this is your homework. So do your homework. That'll be the first question we go through tomorrow. Don't ask me if you know hint, because last time I give hint to right since and give them the answer. So I'm not give nobody no hint tonight. So just ensure you know the theorem, guys. That's the most important thing I can tell you right now. Know the theorems and how to identify the different region. Oh, thank you very much. I'm happy that I was able to add to that. Thank you. So I'll see you tomorrow. Have a good night. Sleep well. And get enough rest. To do that myself as well. Okay, miss. Tomorrow, please. God. Okay, Russ. Tomorrow. Bless you, miss. We can say before you. Ooh. Yes, can. Be glad to remember me. Thank you for reminding me. I need a paper. Thanks for reminding me, Can. You say me almost leave and I remember to do it. I tell you, this brain of mine is working so much. All the best persons. Yeah, all the best to the persons who are doing the exam tomorrow. Hope you all do your best. Don't go in the exam panicking. Alright? So Can, for the negative positive chart, I'm losing brain cells. Stop rubbish, boy. Stop chat rubbish. Boy, I lose brain cells. Stop rubbish, Shami, yes. Oh. So negative positive chart Can is most useful for addition and subtraction. Alright. For multiplication and division, you have to just know the rules of integers when you're doing those. But for the negative positive chart, it's most useful when you are adding and subtracting directed numbers or something negative and positive numbers. So the first one is given like a -7 minus 5, -4 plus 9, I'm using some small numbers now, but if you want to use big numbers, you can go ahead and use some larger numbers. I'm using smaller numbers right now. Dang, negative 14 plus 9. All right. So negative 7, negative 5. Here you have two negative numbers being added to each other. All right. So this actually means negative 7 plus and negative 5. But they didn't, some people don't do that. They just use the two negatives. So what you do is to identify the number, the negative number or a positive number. So the negative 7 goes on the negative column. Negative 5 goes under the positive column, on the negative column as well. Once they're under the same column, you know you need to be adding the numbers. So 7 plus 5 is 12. So it's 12. Is a positive or negative 12? It's a negative 12 because on the negative column. It's a negative 12. Okay? For this one, a negative 4 plus 9. 4 is negative, goes under the negative column. The 9 is a positive 9 because the sign it comes in front of it. Positive 9 goes under the positive column. After having this, you want to cancel starting from the smallest number. So always cancel the smallest number first. So you cancel the negative, cancel 4 from this side. Let's move that sign because I mean negative, negative. So cancel 4 from this side. Do the same to this side. So you take out 4 of that, you're left with 5. And so this 5 is now under the positive section, so the answer is a positive 5. No, I'm gonna do the video tonight, right? See, I'm gonna do the bearings the video tonight. No, he asked me about the chart, so I'm showing him the chart. But yeah, the number line can be used as well. He asked me about the chart though. So for this one, negative 14, 14 goes under here. Positive 9, the 9 comes here. Cancel from the smallest number first. So you take 9 from this side, and you take 9 from here as well. If 9 comes from this, you're left with what? 5. So that gone. You're left with 5. This 5 here is a negative 5. And you know if you have two positive number, you have to do that. I'm going to show you say do the same thing as well. Once under the same column, add the numbers them, and you know what number it will be, positive or negative. And that's basically it. So you can use this, use the number line, use the concept of owing and paying. Like if you owe me $4 and you have $9, if you pay me, you only have $5 left. Negative is owing, paying is positive. If you owe me $7 and you come back and borrow $5 from me, in all, you owe me $12. And owing is negative. So, yeah. Most of my kids, they love this method. I'm telling you. They don't play with it. Once you're doing addition and subtraction, they go and they draw the tables. As big as they are, they draw the tables. But you know, once you're multiplying and dividing, you're gonna have to use the rules that says positive times positive is equal to a positive, positive times negative, give you a negative, negative times positive, give you a negative, negative times negative, give you positive. And this applies when you are multiplying and dividing, you know? So once my kids want to simplify some directed numbers, they go ahead and they draw the tables as big as they are. Once they're not comfortable doing it in their brains, they're gonna be drawing the tables. But yeah, I hope it made sense to you, Khan. Yeah, so yeah, guys, thank you very much for sticking around with me. Feel free to come back tomorrow, and I will see you all. Blessings, blessings to you all, people. Thank you for the support. Thank you for the love that you're showing me so far. All right, so I'll see you tomorrow. If you have a requested video, so tomorrow will be 4:30 Jamaican time. If you're in other Caribbean countries, it's gonna be 5:30 for you. So tomorrow, guys, tomorrow. Love you all. And thank you very much for sticking around with me. I really appreciate you people. Okay, so good night. Hello, miss. You don't live on the live during the day. I wanted to, but some persons are saying that they go to school or they at work or whatever, so I don't normally do it in the day. I just come in the evenings to accommodate everybody and just to be fair. But if you another persons will join in the live in the afternoon, I'll make time for you. That would be good. I'll make time. I'm going to go to bed early and wake up. Get enough sleep so I can wake up. So all depends. If you can find a few more people that agree with you to have to come in the daytime, that would be great as well. Or if you want to message me on Instagram to send some questions and we do it together there, that's also fine with me because I'll make myself available for you. Okay? So let me know in the community if you want me to have a live in the daytime. Because some people are at home, yeah, not working. Or they may be at work. Miss what the Instagram name. They may be at work and can't you call that? And can come in just to listen or whatever. You can also do something like that. Oh my. Okay. Okay. On the live in the daytime. But you have to come and have vibes in the car. Come and make your life dead. If your life dead, me I go want to sleep and I go just eventually go away. You can't have to come and make your life nice up. Respond to me question them or something. And nobody come and just look for me. Melissa Hayden. Oh, my friend, my friend, my friend. Yeah, guys. So thank you guys very much. I'll consider the live tomorrow for the daytime. I'm gonna try to wake up tomorrow early and see if I can match up something and come on. Yeah? I'm gonna try it tomorrow. So yeah, guys, see you all tomorrow. Good night, good night, good night.